Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. My name is Salivate Metal, just in case you didn't know. And we are here, and we are live, and it's Wednesday. A lot of stuff going on. A lot of people here already here on the side chat. Very cool. All is one now is here now. And he was here earlier, too. So not only is all is one earlier, he's here now, and maybe he'll be here in the future. He will be here in the future. All right, very good. We got Terry Rabidoo. Kendall Kid is here. Hello, Kendall Kid. And is the Stacking Nerd still here? I know she was had to pop in, got to hang out with some friends tonight, which is awesome. She wishes everybody Merry Christmas, but check out the Stacking Nerds channel. And I hope she's here because I want to tell her something, but she may have already split. She may have already split. All right. So let's see here. We're going to prepare for our comment review. Let me get things going. A lot of news today for sure. The Federal Reserve rate raised its rates, and we covered that in a video posted earlier, just about 20 minutes before this live stream started, about the federal rate hike and its statements that spooked the markets. We have Silver Wolverine here, and I'm glad he's here because I've got to get something set up. I've got something to show, and I'm hoping somebody else will show up too that I think may have sent something, but we'll find out. We'll see. All right, very good. Cheryl is here. So while we have Silver Wolverine here, let me show you guys. He was very kind, and I got this out. I'm looking forward to this. Let me show you this real quick here. Boom, shalaka, boom, boom, shalaka. I've never had this stuff before. Silver Wolverine sent me some Tim Hortons coffee. Dude, thank you, man. Wow, so kind of Silver Wolverine, and I will be having some of this stuff here. Tim Hortons coffee. I've heard it's really good. Never had it before. Nice. Thank you, Silver Wolverine. Dude, you are the man. Merry Christmas. 100% Arabica, medium roast. So I'm looking forward to that, diving into that. Thank you again. I do have some coffee here now. It's a black silk that I'll be sipping on through this thing here. But very good. Gold Hunter Silver Finders here. I think he's new. Good to see you, Terry Rabidoo. Merry Christmas to Mike Macario. I think that's how you pronounce that. Macario, maybe perhaps. Silver Guru's here. Fire Cajun is here. Merry Christmas to you guys. AU Rebel is here. The one and the only AU Rebel. Yes, indeed. Good to see you. I've got a cookie. I got a coffee. There's a little soft kitty over here. Let me show you this soft kitty. Proof of life of the soft and cuddly kitty here. Hold on. Good grief. There's soft and cuddly kitty. In the fur, not the flesh, but in the fur. Eyes are open, alert, awake. Yes, this kitty is concerned about the Fed rate hikes. That's okay. There's enough fur to go around. This little tail right here. See that little tail? And little fur, little soft and cuddly little kitty, little soft kitty cat. A furry creature indeed. Very furry. There we go. Okay. All right. Enough of the kitty. Okay. Bye, kitty. Bye, kitty. Boom. All right. Where were we? Slender kitty. Yeah, that's this long, slender kitty. Yes, indeed. All right. Number one coffee. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Silver Wolverine. So he loves that. It might be mine too. I just have no way to get it. Weirdest phone call from Mr. Working Class. What did it say? I'm kind of I don't want to just call it outright without knowing if it's a scam or not, because it could have been a weird phone call from a wrong number. Maybe it's a legitimate organization. But anyways, yes, Silver Wolverine cannot get his kitty to show the face in the video because they just want so much. They just love Silver Wolverine so much they just want to be petted. Won't sit still. Okay. Where were we? Okay, let me get to these comments, and we'll get started here. Juan Ortiz is here. Good to see you. Okay, we're waiting on Mr. Working Class to see about this number. I don't want to call it without actually having, some sort of reference as to what it is. It could be a legitimate. I don't want to call a legitimate business and troll them. I'd rather troll a scammer to know for sure if it's a scammer or not. You know what I mean? As we peruse through here, through these comments, let's see here. All right. Salivation Nation says all is one now. Carmen Bassi is here. Hello, Carmen. Good to see you. And Italian G can't stay long. He's heading for church. Well, thanks for popping in for momentarily. Yes, indeed. And Juan, good to see you. And Stacking and Prepping is here. Yes, crazy day in Wall Street today. Yes, just posted a video about some company pushing magical something. Interesting. Yeah. I'm not sure what that means. Maybe we'll take a chance. What do you think? Should we magical something? Let's see here. Yeah, maybe I better not. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I think just in case they're legitimate. Wake up and smell the coffee. Yes, indeed. I'm wake up and slurp the coffee is what I'm doing. Good to see you guys. All right. Okay. Hello, David. And so let's go ahead and get this screen shared, and we will begin our activity, our little comment review. See what people are saying. See what the pulse of the community is here. That's what we do. All right. And we've got a little story here from Trent Staggering. I bought my house from investing in silver. Of course, I bought silver at under $3 per ounce back in the 1970s from Monex and sold at $31 per ounce during the Hunt Brothers fiasco. One could argue that I merely waited until the actual value of inflation was close to 31 bucks, but let's not forget the precious metals in general have been undervalued for decades, and if the economy keeps going the way it is, our silver stackers could make a lot of money. Yes, that's true. That's true, but you have to keep in mind that 1980 and 2011 were anomalies. I believe that silver was actually overvalued then for the dollar, because when it comes to accumulate its actual value, then that's where the dollar is going to show its actual value. But anyways, Centurion Silver's here. Hello, Centurion Silver. Good to see you. All right. Okay. Edward Owen says there are two lines of, hey, Mr. Working Class, can you do me a favor? Well, and I don't know if you want to do this because you may not want them to know, but if you want to call them back and see what they're about, see if they're a scam, I'll use your best judgment. If you want to call that magical place back and see if and I'll take your best judgment to see and see what they're about, maybe. I don't know. See if it works and let me know. Let's see here. Universal Vibes TV. Yes. Half man, half amazing. Hey, man, thank you, Universal Vibes TV. Appreciate it. All right. And Media Man is here. Just got 20 Aztec rounds from Monument today. Nice. They are awesome. Yes, the Aztec rounds are beautiful. Good job. Congratulations. GDP, I think, is announced every quarter, Silver Wolverine. And as of late, it's been above 3% consecutively. So I think it was around 4% last time. But it could be revised downward. There's times when they make their announcements and then revise downward or upward the GDP. So we'll see when that happens. That's going to be a true indicator, because I think it's 3 sessions or 3 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth means we're in a recession. We'll see how it plays out. All right. Okay, let's see here. Can't play Sal in church. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. They might kick you out. That's for sure. All right. Edward Owens has a pretty long comment here. Probability considers how silver is used as an investment or used in investing. There's a line where mine production, for whatever reason, seriously slows. The shape of that line is determined by the demand for several different metals there. If mine production dropped, vanity market. Yep. So that's what second line is, replacement silver by other substances. And that's where the 2 lines will cross. The only thing propping up silver right now is that industry needs 600 million ounces a year, so zinc, copper, and lead miners bother to recover it. If not for such industrial demand, let's say cut in half, you would see 100 200, 300 million ounce surplus in the last few years. Yeah. Well, thanks for the thoughts. The short, I think we have as much as 20 years to realize one more boom and possibly a kaboom. Yeah, it'll be interesting. And he talks about graphene thing as well. And I posted a video about that, but some good thoughts there. Thank you, sir. Edward, very good. Okay. Steve Wilcox says, how can anyone still buy into the QAnon LARP BS after all the unkept promises or so-called soft disclosure? It actually never promised anyone anything, just a bunch of people on the web attempting to interpret cryptic messages to fuel their own wishes. It really is quite silly. Yeah, and I don't know that I buy into it either or understand it completely. I'm not as well versed on it, and I think I made that pretty clear in the video. But thank you, Steve, for your thoughts. And just the one thing that I do know for sure is that there is a deep state. There's no question about that. Sal, it's hard to say. Sal Mystic reading the future. Yeah, Sal Mystic. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Oh, Silverback Stacker's here. Hello, Merry Christmas to Silverback Stacker. Tony is here. All right, CCT is here. All right, very good, CCT. Let me pause now again, because I think this envelope is not marked. But just on the off chance that it may be, I don't want to embarrass anybody or anything, but I got me a Christmas card, and I want to unbox it here live. How do you unbox a Christmas card? Well, you don't. You unenvelope it. Let me see if I can find a way to cleverly do this without being, so that I can maintain my cleverness in such a way to be clever. Let's see here. Okay. There it is. Red envelope. There it is. Okay. Christmas card that it came in the mail. And opening it up. Very cool. Look at that. There's the brief parts of the contents of the thing here. Oh, look at it. Oh, whoa. Look at this. Wait a minute here. Special wishes from Sheffield at Christmas. Wow. That is cool. All right. Actually, this comes to us from Stephen Heath. And he's not in here with us. I thought it was, yeah, very cool. Let's see. All right. The thoughts sent with this greeting are filled with joy for you and hope you'll have a Christmas that's wonderful and thorough. Merry Christmas. And it says, Merry Christmas, Sal, and a good one. Have a good one. Best wishes, Stephen Heath. And I'm saying that with an American accent. Thank you, Stephen Heath. Very kind of you, sir. Very cool. Look at that. It got a little glitter there on a tree from Sheffield. Dude, that's awesome. Sheffield. Very cool. In gold script there. Very nice. All right. There it is. All right. Very nice indeed. Thank you, sir. All right. Back to our regularly scheduled program now. He's not here to see that, but we trust in good form that he'll either see that or I will send him a message thanking him. I wanted to do that live. All right, thank you. Very good to see you guys, by the way. Let's see here. Stacking and prepping. Hi-ho, Silver's here. Hi-ho, and Swearing and Duck is here. Mischievous Mallard was so much easier to say, but good to see you. All right. Let's see here. Okay, where are we at? Let's get back to the operation at hand, and that is our comment review. And we are moving on up here. I'm done buying silver and gold for a while, says Chiefly Chieftain. You know, sometimes that's what you got to do. Sometimes you have to take a pause, you know. And that's really good. Silver Saber's here. Hello, Silver Saber. Merry Christmas to Silver Saber. Good to see you. All right. Yes, indeed. Good to see Silver Saber here. Yankee Stacking says, I've never seen such shocking generosity, Sal. Laura's amazing. Yes, she is. Laura Blade unboxing from a while ago. Thank you, from a couple days ago. Very nice. Bookshot says, bought 56 of the silver coins. They arrived today. I like them. Wow. That's crazy. That's a lot of coins. Good job. You may do well. He may be positioning himself for a possible flip. Who knows? We'll see what happens. All right. Feliz Navidad, says Silverback Stacker. A very talented member of the pouring community, for sure. Flipping, that's how you turn physical precious metals into an investment. Can do it with paper PMs as well. Not me. That's except for the palladium proof. That's exactly right. Well said. Yankee Stacking could not agree more. Actually, I could. Let me muster up a little bit of more. There's just a little bit more an agreement with Yankee Stacking. Very good. Now, what was I going to say? I was going to say something and I forgot what it was. Oh, yes. Since we have 62 viewers in here, I want to make an announcement that there will be an announcement coming tomorrow, which means you'll want to stick around for Friday at around this time, maybe 12 minutes earlier. Yes, you want to stay tuned for an announcement video tomorrow because you'll want to be here probably on Friday about this time. Yes, indeed. So just FYI for you guys. And by the way, FYI stands for your information. All right, very good. Okay. Errol Ozturk says, check out my other channel. I just started stacking silver. Yeah, there's nothing on that channel. Nothing there. And I don't like when people do that, when they just come on here blindly and just promote their channels. Not cool. Khan says, multi-gunman, it's a pet peeve of mine. I don't really know what Khan means, multi-gunman. There must be some thing you and I had and I forgot about it. But anyways. All right. I need more content like this. Slam dunk on the inside of Chinese counterfeit ring. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Yes, indeed. Silver Chimp is here with some bananas and monkeys. All right. Very good to see Silver Chimp. Good channel. He's got t-shirts available. All right. Let's see. There we go. CCT is done buying gold and silver too for a week at least. It's always good to see CCT. Yes, indeed. Yes, spectacular. It's an announcement of an announcement. I make the announcement of announcement to make you aware that there's going to be another announcement and then a reminder of an announcement coming up. Terry Rabidoo, well, I just have to wait till tomorrow for that announcement. It's going to be fun. It's going to be worth the wait, I think. Yes, indeed. Shout out to you, Sal, on the first invite. Hey, thank you, just another average stacker. And class unboxing, is collection coins a good investment? I just posted a video about that, the class unboxing. Check it out. It's called How Silver is Used in Investing. It's a couple of days ago. So check that video out for the answer to your question. Tell us now, Salivate Metal. Well, I don't want to, then it'll take away from my announcement video. You know what I mean? But it's going to be an interview. I'll put it to you that way. It's going to be an interview worth seeing, I think. I'm such a teaser. I'm going to like to tease and all. You know, it's a magical thing. Maybe that was me calling Mr. Working Class, trying to sell him some magic. Hey, Barbara Carbone is here. Yes, so happy now. Let me take a slurp. Yes, indeed. For Barbara Carbone, so happy to see her here. Not Decaf AG's 47 Surfer. This is the high octane stuff. Yes, indeed. Okay. All right. Poor silver haters trolling. Yeah. Stop teasing us. Nanny, nanny, boo, boo. Gonna tease Terry. That's what I do. Adri San is here. Hello, Adri San. Good to see ya. All right. Hey, there we go. Mischievous Mallard is back with a name from which I can pronounce. I'm snorting coffee. All right. Very good. All right. Hey, Mary. Hey, thank you, Gold Hunter Silver Finder. Appreciate that. $2 super chat. That helps very much. Appreciate it very much. Thank you very much. Let's see here. Okay. Yes. The new $1 innovation series arrived. Rust. I've got them on order too. They're just shipped out. I should be here soon. I'll do an unboxing video of those when those arrive. Not many people are a fan of those, but hey, I'm going to do one anyway, just for gits and shiggles. Do you find platinum is a good value to purchase right now? Says Silver Chimp. I think it's good. I think it's a good. There's potential there. I think for platinum to go up, but I wouldn't get a whole lot of it. I wouldn't break the bank on it or anything like that. So yeah. Okay. Mark B is here. What's the point of this cast, says Tony L. What's the point of it? You want to see the point of this cast? Let me show you. All right, here's the point of this cast. Just a minute. Sometimes you got to show people what the point of things are, and I've got to do it. I'm going to do it right now. This is from Tony L. Here we go. Bob Wolf, you might just want to stick around, buddy. Yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right, let me find the point of this cast. Let me see here. This is the point. It's always good to define what you're doing. All right, where are we at here? Okay, Tony, here's the point. There's the point. That's the point of this cast. All right, I hope that's crystal clear. It certainly is in focus. And that means if it's in focus, that means we can only deduce one thing. And that one thing is that it is crystal clear. Do you get the point? I hope I'm getting my point across. I mean, I don't want to point any fingers at anybody, but that's the point right there, okay? Now, who in this chat is going to tell me that I'm on point? Somebody surely will tell me that I'm on point. I'm just waiting for that time. That will make my Wednesday if somebody was to tell me that I am on point. Let's see here. Okay, where are we at? All right, there you go, Carmen. Thank you. Hey, you rebel, sweet, nice. Terry Rebel got the point. Very good, Terry. That knife is loaded, Yankee Pride. Oh, I saw 1 ounce palladium coin today. Not very inspiring. It looks like nickel. Yeah, you know, Media Man, you're exactly right. By the way, sorry, I've got to interrupt here. Stop calling me Shirley, $1 Shirley, you jest. Let's see here. Okay, now wait a minute. Okay, all right, yes. Palladium is a very dull metal. Well, it's not very dull, but it is duller than silver, and so is platinum. It's not an impressive, inspiring metal, really. It is more like nickel than it is silver. What mic do I use? This is actually a webcam that I've got, and with a mic on it from Logitech. J3B Digging Canada is here. All right. All right, let me get back to my comment review. I'm getting sidetracked all of a sudden from you people, good people in the chat side here. All right. Oh, man. Okay. And by the way, oh, yes, right on point, Barbara Carbone. And by the way, I have not forgotten, Barbara Carbone, about the celery juicing thing. I need to try that sometime. Hey, Silverback Stacker says I'm pretty sharp. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. I need to do it. This is why I question every video you have and why you hammer silver. And again, I'm correct. Waste. What? This is why I question every video you have and why you hammer silver. And again, I'm correct. I'm not hammering silver. The guys that hammer silver are Mr. Zeke. Mr. Zeke and some other videos. They actually hammer the sides of their. So when they pour the silver, they hammer it. Me also when leave. I don't get it, Tony. The poured silver community, they'd hammer at the edges of the silver. It gives it kind of a cool look. What's wrong with that? Coins of America. What's going on? Did Tony get the joke? Yes, waste of time. You go to that, to the point. I think Tony doesn't like me. Tony doesn't like me, I don't think. All right. I want my $2. Oh, hey, everybody. Hello. Hello. Good to see you. Space Blue. No, I haven't seen those come out yet. What the Stacker? I think are they available now? I haven't seen them. Matthew the Great Coin Hunter is here. Good to see you. All right. Yeah, the hammered poured silver looks great. It does. I like that. That's kind of a cool. Yeah, I'm not sure what old Tony L was talking about. I don't think he likes me, though, AU Rebel. I got the minute. He didn't laugh at my joke, did he? He wasn't laughing at my joke. Feline fans, I'm a long-term holder of precious metals because I think it's simply too much trouble to flip PM. I agree. I'm kind of the same way too. I'm just too lazy to do it. Although it's pretty boring, I mainly have generic silver. I'm just not enough of a risk taker to buy high premium silver rounds coins. And I am too. I mean, I buy some high premium silver rounds coins, but mainly the ones I buy just because I like them and I hold on to them. Hey, Mark B likes me, so that's going to cancel out Tony L. That's going to cancel out Tony L because Mark B likes me. Hey, and I like Mark B too. You guys are awesome. All right. Let's see. You always start before. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, Edward Owens. Yeah, I'm on the East Coast. I'm sorry, my friend. Yes. Silverback stacker saw the Space Blue at a bullion dealer for $112, but they were out of stock. Yeah, only 500 minutes of those. And AU likes me too. Nice. Nice. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, AU. We're so glad to have AU Rebel back, by the way. He's posted a video too. Check him out when you get a chance. Silver Wolverine, I did see an ISS unboxing, the International Silver Syndicate, of which I'm a member. And we're going to be talking about that soon again. But there was a guy that posted, I think he was, what is his name? Kendall. I think, not Kendall Kid. Shoot, he was on, I think he was on Southside Stacker's last live stream. I think he posted a video about it, but I forgot his name right now. I did see one unboxing, but there's been several orders of them, of those. And so, yes, class unboxing is gold a good investment? No, the metal itself is not an investment. Silver itself is not an investment. They're hedges, or shouldn't be looked at as an investment. But it's a good way to preserve your wealth, the class unboxing. Check out the video I posted called, just type in under my channel, under videos, gold, silver, investment, and you'll see the video pop up that talks about it. I think it's wise to accumulate some. Yes. Hey, Southside Stacker, I'm glad you're here. What's cracking? We're just chilling like Bob Dylan. Yes, La Plata. Thank you. La Plata is his name. That's the guy. Southside Stacker is La Plata. Not Chuck La Plata, not Chuck and La Plata. It's La Plata Peak. La Plata Peak. I think he did a video unboxing the International Silver Syndicate. Not the pants syndicate. The women are stealing all of the pants. They're almost got Southside Stacker's pants too, but yes, I don't think he still got his pants on. All right, let's see here. Let's see here. Adrian, yes, I need to get me some ISS. Is there a way to just get your coin? I wish there. Well, I don't want to give away too much, but you want to, yeah. Ask Mike. There you go. Let's see here. Ooh. Oh, man. A Canadian jihadist just got 40 years in New York for plotting our demise. Wow. Justice. Silver Mac is here. Hello, Salivate. Good to see you. All right. Avenger stops by and how silver is used as an investment video. Donald in New Mexico says, how many times have I told you silver is not an investment? I just found out that the new Apollo commemorative 1 ounce dollars will be the first for a commemorative program to be struck on 999 silver planchets. Wow. Are you sure it was a one? Well, and here's just it, Donald. I believe it's 0.77 ounces, but I'll have to check some news on that. I'll look at that and see to confirm. I know that the 5 ounce ones will be on 999 silver planchets, but I don't know that the dollars, or that the regular dollar size, but we'll see. But thank you, Donald. Let's see here. All right, people are asking me a question in here. J3B in Canada says, are you a fan of Queen? I've seen in the new movie a pirate copy. Quality was bad. Only saw a little silhouette of a man. That was good. That was a little silhouette of a man. I have great admiration for the late Freddie Mercury as a vocalist. And also, I have great respect for Brian May, the guitar player, who John Hartley posted a video talking about how he uses a 6 pence as a pick. Very cool. Nice. So yes, I do have respect. I'm not a huge fan of them. I like some of their songs though. All is one now. Got the innovator coins in today. Mine are on their way, but congratulations for getting yours. Very cool. Nice. All right. Yes. Adri San's still here. Hello, Adri. Let me get this thing here. Okay. All right. Where are we at? Okay. Moving ahead. QAnon is controlled opposition at its finest. Every human knows that the only way to get rid of the system is to change from the bottom to the top. In other words, the people by itself need to wake up and start doing massive protests around the world. The moment that Q said that we should trust Trump, I knew this guy was a shill. I'm not a supporter of Hillary. In fact, I'm glad she lost, but Trump is the same. He supports Israel and the Fed is still in place. Well, there's nothing wrong with supporting Israel, in my view. I'm a strong supporter of Israel. And I'm glad we have Trump as president. I mean, from my point of view, because, you know, he's the only outsider that really we've seen in the last 100 years that's a total outsider. You know, he's shaking some things up, and I mean, a lot of it's coming back. He's getting a lot of flack, but nonetheless, I do agree with you that the people need to wake up and get educated about this. And this is why we talk about precious metals, because that's one way that you can be independent from the system, really, essentially, by holding gold and silver, which in your hands, the only manipulation that happens with silver and gold is that which you do by holding it. You're manipulating you're holding it and that kind of thing, which is fun. All right, let's see here. Do you get no-name 300-gram French milk chocolate bars with hazelnuts in the USA? No, I don't get those, but it sounds delicious. Hey, Stephen Heath. Hey, Stephen Heath, you might want to rewind. I got your card and unenveloped it. I read it with an English accent, with an American accent too. Thank you for the card, Stephen Heath. Appreciate it. Good to see you. Did the Fed just usher in the crash, Jim Farrell? I talked about it in my video today, and I stopped short of saying that, but I don't know. Some people think possibly it could be. Let's see here. Oh, Trump is done right after I professed my love for him, Barbara Carbone says. That's funny. Yes, indeed. All right. Yes, the ultimate chocolate treat. Cool. I'll have to try it sometime. Neat. All right. Value Hunter. Good info, Sal. The stats are always awe-inspiring and thought-provoking. Yes, indeed. Thank you so much. This is on my video on the 2018 World Silver Survey. Who was your friend? The Sheik? Yeah, no, you'd be surprised. It's not a Sheik, believe it or not. Part-time preppers, good stuff, Sal. I've kept over 99% of the silver we've gotten, but I flipped a dozen or so over the years and doubled my money or more. Timing is key. Also, I picked up some slightly rare stuff from the LCS as she treats an ordinary silver and got lucky. Nice. Good job. Good scores. Let's have a slurp for Barbara. Doctor Who is here. All right. Very good to see Doctor Who. And December Silver says silver is totally an investment, but it's a different type of investment. It's investing in oneself as if you're buying shoes for your feet. Kind of a safe haven too, but just how I see it. Keep stacking. Yes. Yeah. I mean, a loose definition of the word you could definitely say that. I'm talking about the financial aspect of it, where dividends or risk mismanagement. When I think of investment, I think of risk and counterparty wide or counterparty risk or third party or second party or whatever counterparty. This is I see silver and gold as just being what it has been for thousands of years. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Part-time prepper says, I put $150 in cryptos for fun about 15 months ago, but my son's assist for fun worth about $60 now. If it ever goes to 150 again, I'll take it and run to the LCS. Very good. Okay. Carl Johnson's, I can't even flip an egg in a frying pan, so I think I'll buy and hold and eat my eggs sunny side up. All right. And again, guys, stay tuned. this Friday for something that's coming. There'll be an announcement video tomorrow that's going to be talking about what's coming Friday. Friday at 6. Yes, yes, indeed. The Farkas. Silver can be an investment. I'm just not very good at it. Well, I'm not either. I'm not good at flipping or that kind of thing to be able to take higher premium coins and flip them. And like the Germania, I like the look of the piece. So I'm keeping them, you know what I mean? Terry Rapidu, shout, you should yell us now. Well, I could use all capital letters and yell. I'll yell. Okay, let me yell. Let me yell at Terry. Yelling at Terry in all caps, just like Alan Gold there. All right, very good. Hello, Coin Sense and Nonsense. Can't stay, but we'll try to listen way home from work. Very cool. Well, thank you, Coin Sense and Nonsense. Good to see you. All right. Coin Sense. He's awesome. Check out his channel. He definitely shows some really cool coins that he collects. And this guy, Coin Sense and Nonsense, is awesome because he buys coins that he loves and enjoys and shows them. You can just tell that he enjoys the pieces. Now he buys them because he loves them. I need a manicure. Yes, indeed. I'm sure I do. I probably do need a manicure. I need a petty. Oh, slurp ladder. I need to slurp for Barbara. Yes, indeed. Something that's coming. That's narrowed it down. That's right. I'm very cryptic at my cryptography and my cryptic. Imagine if I had cryptocurrency. I've got this. Hey, wait a minute. I do have cryptocurrency right here. Look at this. I've got a bill right here that you can hear that I may do a video on, and we'll find out. I'm being very cryptic as to what this bill is. So this is cryptocurrency. All right, there we go. All right, that happened. That just happened, folks. Hey, let's see here. All right, Silver Stanger, do you accept the old coin challenge? What is the challenge? Can you fill me in? Do it now, Sal. Do it now. I just talked about cryptocurrency. I did that now. Let's see here. You guys are fun to talk with. Let's see. Winston Churchill says, never give up. Never give up. Why is it not speculative? Silver works better than the hedge, but it's definitely better than insurance against inflation due to its inherent qualities. With an insurance instrument, you technically cannot profit as well as a hedge. Silver can insure, hedge, and be speculative at the same time. That's why it's so special. Yeah, I see what you mean, but I don't know. Those are examples to where that can happen based off of some of the pieces I talked about in this video. But in the worst case scenario, silver acts as a hedge. Okay, all right, very good. Hey, Alpha Boss is here. Made it. Barb is SS smothering you. All right, very good. Yeah, South Side's here. Let's see here. Okay, well, I tell you what, there was going to be. How much do we have? I'm going to go in here. We're going to invite some of you guys to come in and read some of these comments for me. Hey, maybe Edward's still in here. He says, it's a new day on the floor of Wall Street Casino, folks. Place your bets. I'm putting a 10-cent drop in silver, $5 drop in gold, and the Dow bumps merely a measly 100 points. Let's spin the wheel. All right. Salivate, good story in the background on Palladium and how PM exchange works. Interesting. I'll have to check it out later. Thank you. Silver Honda, very well said on Insight. The only way I see a silver as investment is in my next generation enjoys it. The African Leopard, 170 coins, you still have it. I don't see it on videos too much anymore. I still have mine, yeah. That one does carry, it's a air or a premium or a variety or what have you. But anyways, all right. Agree it's a hedge, TX Moon says. Looks fake to me. Yep, he's showed a bar on Etsy there. Could be. Science about, oh yeah, I did a video on that, Daniel Bull Runner Lamb. I did a video on that. Check it out. How to chemist mines from laundry wastewater. I already posted a video about that. Super U68, good video. Silver has many levels to choose from. That it does. That's the beautiful thing about silver is you can get it in generic bullion bar form. You can get it in shot. You can get it in high premium struck pieces. You can get it poured. You can get it stamped. You can get it cast. You can get it sculpted. You can get it molted. You can get it crupted. You can get it bloated. You can get it blotted. You can get it spotted. You can get it milked. You can get it dilked. You can get it spilt. Have I made my point? All right. Oh, show the oldest coins in the U.S., then the oldest coin you have from any country. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I might do that. Do a video on that, which was a good idea, actually. Pretty good idea. So we're saying I got some old coins. I might give it a shot. Sweet. Frederick Brandt. Banned you from your channel. I banned your other account, Frederick Brandt. It was fun banning your other account. That was fun. And let's see here. Trump is banning bump stocks, wolf in sheep's clothing. Yeah. The thing is that the bump stocks, those things are 3D printed. You can get them made pretty easily. I've got a friend who has one of those bump stocks, and I don't think he's going to be turning his in. But anyways, all right. Let's see here. Okay. Don't show your coins, Sal. It's all trash. You know what they say? One man's trash is another man's garbage. Yes. Oh, Garland G. I have a 66, 67, and 268 summer Kennedy $50. All right. Let's call this guy up. Let's give this dude a call. Hold on a minute here. Got to get prepper red here. Let's see here. Where are we? We are. That is something else. I can close that out. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna call this guy. See if he answers. Okay. Let's see here. Now, let's call this dude up. I don't know why people do this. It's obviously a some sort of scam. We'll find out. Find out from old Garland, won't we? Garland. Frederick Brandt. Update coming soon. It's not a scheme. It's doing pretty good, actually. Come on, Garland. Come on, Garland. Garland Gee. Big Stack McGee. You're not answering the phone. Garland?
Hello?
Is this Garland?
Yes.
What's happening, brother?
You ready?
You just chilling like Bob Dylan?
Say what?
Are you just chilling like Bob Dylan?
Just chilling, that's all.
That's cool. Well, hey, so you've got a 66, 67, and 268 silver Kennedy $50.
Yes.
Yeah, and you just wanted me to call so that I can acknowledge that you have those. So I'm doing that. I'm giving you a call to acknowledge that you do indeed have the 66, a 67, and two. Yes, count them, 1968 silver Kennedys $50.
Yes, I also have a 1980 2 penny.
Nice.
The two is upside down.
Wow.
And then when I enlarged it to make sure that it was upside down, there's a 1 and a 3 over the 19.
Well, have you ever maybe thought to consider that perhaps you were holding the coin upside down and that's why the 2 is upside down?
I had that coin because see, I've been collecting pennies and coins since I was like 12.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, that's cool.
So I have a lot of foreign coins.
Right.
I have a coin that everybody wants. I'm not putting it. I have Booker T. Washington.
Oh, Booker T. That's a commemorative $50. That's right. Those are nice coins from the classic commemorative program. Yes, indeed. Very good.
And I have the 1966, 67, and 268 pure silver Kennedy $50.50.
Well, let me break some news to you, Garland Gee. This is breaking news just now coming across the wires. Your 1966, 67, and 268 silver Kennedy $50 are not pure silver. They are what's known as 40% clad silver. But that's okay. They still have a little bit of silver in them. And in 1969 was the last year of the circulated 40% silver Kennedy $50. But in 1970, they made them in sets, and they were only issued in the sets. And that was the last year that they produced those in any amount of silver. And then in 1971, they went to the pure clad.
Because it doesn't have any lead in it at all.
Doesn't have any what?
It does the Kennedy 50 cents. It doesn't have any lead in it.
Oh yeah. There's no lead in any of our coins. That would be quite dangerous. You wouldn't want the kids to be chewing on lead coins, would we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Garland, hey, it was good talking to you, my friend. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. And thank you so much again. And we will chat with you some other time, maybe. So have a great Christmas.
All righty, I'll keep putting them coins out there for people to look at, and hopefully I might get a good sale.
Okay, all right. Well, you might want to try at a platform that actually sells coins, like and be careful selling them, eBay or Craigslist or something. All right.
I
all right. Merry Christmas.
All right. Appreciate your call. Merry Christmas.
All right. See ya.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. Very good. Okay. Well, all right. There we go. Yeah, he does. Oh, yeah. I think I don't know. He sounded like he was down or something. All right. Where are we? Let's get back to. All right. Let's get some folks in here. Let's have a little fun. Somebody wants to pop in here and help me read some of these comments. My voice is cracking here. Let's see here. I'm going to steal my thing here. And Massachusetts Prepper says, some good information indeed, my friend. As always, very well presented. Thanks for sharing, brother. And may you and yours have a very Merry Christmas. Well, thank you, sir. He says by yours, he means very soft and cuddly kitties. All right. All right, so we might get Barbara Carbone in here. Might get Terry Rabadoon in here, not Rabadoon. I'll get to my comment. We got to get to AU Rebels comment. I'm going to get to AU's Rebels comment here. This is the real deal money value property, $250,000. So beautiful art notes. Thank you. Yes, indeed. Some of these notes, I'm glad some people, my currency videos don't do as well. So it's nice to see somebody appreciate those. Very cool. Hey, somebody's in here slurping. All right, Mark B, what's going on, man?
I'm doing fine. How are you, Sal?
Oh, I'm doing all right. This guy Fino on my Avoid Fake Bars misheard me. He thought I said all intensive purposes when I said all intents and purposes. I encourage him to go back and listen to the video again. I'm pretty sure it's been a while since I've recorded it, but do you want to read Southside Stacker's video, Mark B?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Yes, timing is a big deal. Good enough research will let you flip a lot of these pieces. I've done it a few times successfully, but I've been lucky enough not to learn a hard lesson.
Don't forget to laugh out loud.
Laugh out loud.
Just like that.
Laugh out loud part. That's the laugh out loud part.
Awesome. I love it. Awesome. Way to go.
What's up, Sal?
What's up? I'm just chilling like Bob Dylan. You know me.
Yeah, that's right. What's up, Mark?
How you doing?
Pretty good, man. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Cool. I'm just hanging out, Sal. Don't mind me.
Hey, no, it's all good. Do you want to read this next comment here?
Oh, yeah, let's do it. Cream? Are we reading Cream?
Yeah.
Cream Last. Is this still available for sale? And if so, where?
On eBay, and yes, it is. And it's only on eBay or, you know, or a coin dealer or something like that. But it's a huge kilo Libertad, sort of reverse proof look. I love those things. It's really cool. Yeah, pretty neat stuff.
Who's reading the next one?
Oh yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead, read the next one. Go for it.
All right, Bob Wolf. Is Bob Wolf still in here? Shout out to Bob Wolf.
Yeah, shout out Bob Wolf.
Bob Wolf says, just left a message on Bullion Exchange's new YouTube video. Everyone should go onto their video and politely suggest in the comment section that they should do an interview with Sal. Yeah, that's a cool idea.
That is a good idea.
Here's the title for that video. New 2019 gold maple leaf coin release bar, I guess. What do you call that bracket? Is it a bracket? Bullion Exchanges.
That's called a pipe stem.
A pipe stem.
Yeah.
Thank you. A pipe stem, Bullion Exchanges. And
Nice.
He said the same thing twice.
Yes, good on different videos. That's a good idea, Bob. Thank you so much. And look who changed his profile picture. Food stamp. That's pretty wild and pretty cool, man. Nice. Yes, indeed. Very good. Let's see here. What else is going on? Okay, let me get to Edward Owens. Do you want to read that one, Mark B?
Yeah, I can do that. And I'm calling that
a push.
I'm calling that a push. Half right. DOW.
Dow.
Dow. Oh, Dow even worse than I thought. Tomorrow should be fun if they raise the internet rates. And
interest rates. And what he's talking about there is he meant to comment on my Ron Paul video. Sometimes it happens as people comment on the wrong videos when they meant to comment on the other videos. But anyways, Mark Medlin he likes Ron Paul, and we got a little thumbs up from Larry Whittington. Thanks, Larry. And then we've got a conversation started about crazy for coins. And you want to read that one there, Southside?
Yeah. Can I shout out Trump real quick for Civil Wolverine?
Oh, sure. Yeah, go ahead. Yes, sure.
This is mainly so Barb can hear it. I just want to send a huge shout out to Trump today for getting that bipartisan prison reform bill passed in the Senate. So shout out to Trump.
Yes, that was cool. That passed with overwhelming support.
Being actually pretty serious. I know it's called the First Step Act, and it is a first step. But for me, I think that's actually a really big deal because we all know what who these laws targeted. At least in my experience. Right. And I think this is really cool. This is a really cool law that have been passed.
Yeah, I mean, because for nonviolent offenders, I think there's got to be other ways to handle some of those things, and so I agree with you. Very cool.
Well, it wasn't passed. Sorry, it just passed the Congress.
Senate.
I think.
The
Senate.
So Trump just has to sign it into law. Yeah.
Yeah. So shout out to Trump for that. Specifically for that.
Specifically for that. That's right. Okay.
What am I reading? Crazy for coins?
Yeah.
Tell me where in the Constitution does it say the Fed can print currency out of thin air and buy real assets with it? And the Fed.
Yeah, I mean, I tell you, I'm not a big fan of the Fed or anything like that. I don't know if we can realistically end it, though. I think we need a rules-based monetary system where there's something that can keep everything in check. There's not a system of checks and balances with our financial system like there is in our government. In government, we have three branches of government: the executive, the legislative, and the judicial. We need something like that on the banking side. You know what I mean? And we don't have that. And I think that would be a good start to have some sort of rules-based monetary system. But I don't know if we can actually end the Fed or what we would replace it with at this point.
Good evening, gentlemen.
Good evening, Stephen Heath.
What up, Chef?
And Southside.
Going on? I don't know why you're here. I think I should leave now.
No.
How you doing, Stephen?
I'm all right. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Now we want to have Stephen Heath read this next comment with a Tennessee accent.
You'll have a job because I haven't got my reading glasses on and I'm in bed.
Okay. All right. I'll read it. And
hang on. Which one? No, I can't.
Which one is this Julius 777 up there?
Don't give up your day job, Sal.
That's what she said.
Chow One Biking said replace the Fed with the Treasury. Duh. I'm just reading the word, Sal.
Oh. Let's see here. My first silver bullion was a Ron Paul campaign for Liberty round. He woke me up. He should have been president. All right, thank you. Okay. X-Man, K Sarah, whatever will be. The future's not ours to see. K Sarah. There we go. That's true. No one has a. No one really knows, except for the Federal Reserve apparently today when they made their statement. But yeah, hunting jack time for Adri-san. He says here in the side chat. Hey, Terry Rabadou's been doing the all. She must really be influenced by Alan Gold. She's been doing all the all caps things. Crazy. She's been yelling at us over here.
Terry Rabadou's always yelling.
She's always yelling. All right, I need to get to AU Rebels comment coming up here. Let me see here. Sorry, AU Rebel, stick with us here. We got sidetracked in here. Next crash, my 401k is already down 10,000. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, that is the thing about this. It really makes it nervous for people to have 401ks, which is why I think people should diversify into really stable investment classes. You know, like mutual funds, even some of the bond market and stuff like that. Really spread out your investments, so to speak. Donald in New Mexico, just stop by to see what condition your condition is in. Hey, there you go. The Trump crash is imminent. He's calling it the Trump crash. All right. Okay. Tricky guy. He said she slurped. Who to believe about anything? We put the attention on someone whose brain seems to be top notch, and we hope the person is a human Ouija board combined with a magic 8-ball, and it never happens. Any prediction of the future turns out to be not close enough to even be worth 1 point of game of horseshoes. Why do we bend a knee to these prognosticators? Prognosticators, yes, as Popeye would pronounce it. Aren't we happy with just Sal telling us his hunches? We don't need no stinking mages with their crystal balls. What we need is King Salivate, ruler for life. Well, I don't know about that. It's a beauty seeing this you stack for the nation. And I try not to, when I make predictions about gold and silver, you know, it's just for fun. I don't stake my reputation on anything. I've been wrong before. I'll be wrong again. Once in a while, I'm right. But, you know, there's no one can really accurately predict the future. But I do think we're just because of the natural cycle of things and the way psychology works, even in spite of administrations, whether or not you're a Republican or a Democrat or what have you, typically, you know, there's recessions and economic downturns that happen. And usually those occur about once every 9 years. But anyways, here is AU Rebels comment. Now, let's have Stephen Heath. You want to, well, your glasses aren't on. How about, you want to read it, Southside?
Oh, man, I got to read this whole paragraph?
Let's do this. Southside, you read one word, then I'll read the next word, then you read the next word.
Are you serious? Because I'm down for that.
That would be something else. Now, I know we need to respect AU Rebel. We'll do that on a shorter comment. But
all right, I got it. I like Ron and Rand Paul. I do believe the next crash will be like the one we've not seen before. It's amazing how normal Tom, Dick, and Harry don't see all the inflated and overpriced garbage that is happening today. Not only is our fiat currency inflated beyond belief and not backed with any precious metals, the stock market is overpriced, and what a surprise that is. Not. Anyway, I've not heard people anywhere talk about how companies keep making their earnings quarter after quarter and announcing how growth is good. Well, think about this, ... Many consumer products that we purchase, i.e. tuna or candy bars, for example, have gotten smaller, yet they charge the same price.
Yep.
Why? Profits.
Yep.
They are making things smaller to meet earnings. Yet if the products stayed the same size and price, earnings would be disappointing and the stock would be hit severely. I think you meant to write. So if they make it smaller and charge you the same, the more they profit. Do you remember when tuna was in a 6-ounce can? Now it is in a 5-ounce can. Or say chili or beef stew was in a 16-ounce can. Now they are in a 15-ounce can. That's very true. These are very true statements, by the way.
Yep.
Chips bags stayed the same, but they put much less in them. It's all fake inflated economy, a fairy tale. Pleasantville, haha. Sorry for going on and on, Sal. Good video.
Well, and that's just it, and that's the thing. I got to be careful because, and Yankee Stacky and I had a discussion about this too, because he doesn't think the economy is good at all. But I look at it this way, as far as our dollar, and, you talk about the Federal Reserve, when they raise rates, it's to stave off inflation. But we've had since 2016, by some metrics, and part of this, I think, is what AU is talking about, and it's being hidden by things like what he's talking about with apportioning. But by some metrics, the dollar has lost 11% of its value in those 2 years. That's staggering. And the reason why they can make that measurement is because of things like, quantitative easing. When you do quantitative easing, you are printing money and you're increasing the money supply, which means that you're diluting and making those dollars worth less. And that really pisses off the other countries that we trade with. And I think that's part of where some of this happening with the trade wars is happening too. I think that's a part of a multifaceted problem. But you're right. It's a fragile economy because of those things and because of the bailouts. But at the same time, I think with the tax cuts that have happened, that's helped, although some of that's being countered by the tariffs, because tariffs are essentially taxes too. I'm hoping that they get everything worked out. There's a lot of unknowns right now. There's a lot of things being shaken up that have not come to resolution, which has the markets, going crazy. But the Federal Reserve chairman said today that all the economic indicators are up. They're positive. So, I don't know. It's crazy. In the end, we've got gold and silver, and that's the ultimate protector. Many of us in this community have very different views on the economy and ideology and politics, but we all understand that really the best way to protect ourselves is by saving cash, gold, silver, and being fiscally responsible. I think we can all agree on that, which I think is just awesome. I think a lot of people in this community are fiscally responsible, and it's a good thing. Good comment, AU Rebel. Mark B, you want to try this one?
I don't think Mark's here.
Oh, did he step out? Okay, yeah, sorry about that. Okay, very cool. The Pauls, Ron and especially Rand, are a bit wacky, but there's some logic in there. I agree with you. Leave the rates alone tomorrow, which they did, and they raised them. 2019 may continue to see volatility related to politics. Threats of impeachment and relations with China and Russia will be key in my estimation. Yes, I do. I think if there is impeachment coming in 2019, then I think that's going to have an effect on the markets. We'll see how that plays out for sure. Okay, Media Man says, my earlier comment, there were ways to back currency than PMs. The U.S. dollar is backed by the U.S. and everybody wants U.S. dollar. Yeah, that's right. There are other ways. Yeah, there's something to be said for the fiat system, because we all operate under fiat. It's government by government decree. The U.S. government says that this dollar is worth $1. And we have faith in it. That's how we buy our precious metals. That's how we buy groceries. It's what we use for commerce. There's something to be said for the American dollar and other nations as well. You're talking about there too. So yeah, there's no question. No question. All right. DW, if we do have a major crash in the stock market, then maybe they could vote Ron Paul into the White House. No, the swamp will never let that happen. Yeah. Well, and that's just it. I think nowadays we're seeing the divide, not so much between Republicans and Democrats, but between the establishment and the anti-establishment. To me, that is where the new divide is, or where the new divide is being formed, because there's a lot of people that are really disappointed with the Republicans out there now, for sure, that are conservative, myself being one of those. Let's see here. All right. Free Nation. Oh, here we go. Well, let's see here. Yeah, let's do this one, Southside.
All right.
You read one word, I'll read another word. Let's see how.
That's a Stanger. Shout out to Stanger, by the way.
Yeah, shout out to Silver Stanger. Awesome. He's been in your live streams. Awesome guy. He's served in the military. Thank you for your service.
Yeah.
Sure. Big time shout out to Silver Stanger. Yes, indeed. Let's see how in sync. With Southside Stacker and I, let's see how if our minds are melding. Let's see if we can do that. You start.
All right, I'll start. Free.
Nation.
Free.
Market.
Wouldn't
that
be
nice. That's not too bad.
That was cool.
With a little bit of practice, we may get that.
Yeah, that was actually pretty good for the first time.
Yeah, we'll try it with a. Well, sorry. Let's see here. I don't know if we want to do Tessa. This is a little bit too long. We'll slowly ease our way into it.
Yeah.
You want to read this one though, Tessa?
I'll get Tessa. I love Tessa too, so let me do Tessa as well.
Shout out to Tessa.
Yeah, shout out to Tessa. Let's see. The government never puts the money where it should go, unless for war. Washington State passed the lottery, and when they put it up for a vote, told everyone it was for school, so it got passed, and lottery came to Washington State. But where does the money go? Not for what they told the voters it was intended for. It definitely does not go to the schools. Wow.
Yeah. All right. Very good. All right. Silver Stanger's in here now. He may be swinging in here. He might be able to read a comment for us.
Oh, nice.
All right. I'm going to steal, since I've copied that and linked that, I'm going to pull this back into my clipboard here. All right. Let's see here. What happens if I Google this?
Let's see what happens.
Nothing comes up.
Mm.
All right. Okay, let's see here. All right. Mustard Monkey Swag. Ron Paul, #1 fan. Yes, he likes Ron Paul. Yes, indeed. All right. Jeff Westbrook. Wonder if anybody has ever mistakenly called him Eastbrook before. I don't know. Let's see here. All right. Even if the market corrects, I don't think it will be that bad. In 1929, we didn't have even a tenth of 401ks. I believe much of market overvaluation is due to our retirement funds. What makes a house worth $1 million? Someone with money to pay it. Why is Amazon worth $140? An investor willing to lose my 401k? Yeah. I don't know. But I'm hoping it won't be as bad. I don't
think CCT.
All right, CCT. All right, it's midnight there. He needs his beauty sleep. Have a good night, my friend.
Good night, CCT.
And Stephen Heath's still here. Nice.
I thought he fell asleep.
Yeah, me too.
I usually do when I'm listening to you, Southside.
Stephen, put your glasses on, man. You need to get in on this reading.
We want you to read it and read it fast for us. Let's see if you and I.
They're on a cleaning cycle at the moment.
Oh, they're on a cleaning cycle.
What cleans them?
All right, now Stephen Heath, I want you to listen to Southside Stacker and I read this next comment. Let's see. We'll see how in tune he and I are. Here we go. You want to start, Southside?
Yes, sir. I
wonder
what
Warren
Buffett
is
going
to
do
this
time.
Hold
tight?
Yeah. Man,
I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of fun.
It's fun. All right. Oh man, doesn't take much to amuse us, does it?
Nah, not really.
No. Hey, Southside.
Yeah.
I got my gold in this morning.
Oh, nice. It's gonna be a 2019 video.
Well, I'm waiting for the rest to come. Then it will be a video.
Nice. You said you got what, 3 ounces?
No. I can't afford ounces. This is my 3rd quarter ounce.
Oh, okay, cool.
And I got a 10-ounce bar. Britannia came as well this morning, but the rest is gonna.
I got to get one of those Britannia bars, the 10-ounce ones.
Oh yeah, nice.
Those look really nice.
Yeah.
It's definitely gonna be one of my first buys when the new year rolls around.
But my dolphins won't be coming while the end of January.
Oh yeah, you got a bunch of those, right? You got like 20 of those?
Yeah, 20. Yeah.
Nice.
I sold most of them. I flipped, but
you're gonna flip them?
I want to keep 3 or 4, but I've sold most of them.
Gotcha. Okay, cool.
Barbara,
that's how silver can be an investment.
Do you still have your pants on, Southside?
You know what it is? They took it. They're just torturing me now. Like they're publicly embarrassing me.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. Oh man. All right. Bruce Liggett. Thanks for the info, Mr. Sal. Always interesting. Thank you, sir. Let's see here. Okay. This one might be fun to do with our thing. Let's see if we can do a little faster this time.
Okay, cool.
Can we start this time?
Yeah, you can start.
Okay. The
Fed
is
they
snake
in
the
grass.
the
Master
of
manipulation.
it should.
Good.
Oh,
Wow, Sal. You messed it up.
I got ahead of myself, didn't I?
It should be destroyed. That's what the sentence was supposed to
That's right.
say.
That's what it sentence. Yeah, that's right. All right. Oh man. Now we need Silver Wolverine to come in and read his own statement.
Oh yeah, that'd be hilarious.
But I think he left us. I don't know where he's at.
Did he really?
I don't know. There's a slurp. I'm going to do another slurp for Barbara.
That was me.
That was all right. That was.
You know what?
Mark is back. What's up, Mark?
Hey, Mark. All right.
I'm back. I got booted.
You got booted. Oh man. Were they steel-toed booting? Was it steel-toed boots?
Yeah, with the steel.
Sounds a bit freaky. That sounds like some stuff Adrian is into.
Yeah. Oh man.
So.
Yes, sir.
We should do a joint slurp for Bob.
Oh yes, let's do that. Let's have just a little bit of coffee left. All right. So we're gonna do. All right, here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Yummy, yummy. That was delicious. One strike against Sal, says Silver Mana. Wolverine is still here. Did you see the link? Hey, is Farkas here? Adrian is still here, but Silver Wolverine, if you want to come in, my friend, I think we should celebrate Silver Wolverine's birthday, even though I don't know when it is. But I don't know why I said that. I just think it'd be cool to say happy birthday to Silver Wolverine, even though I don't know when his birthday is.
Yeah, I feel like yeah, just join in. Yeah, happy birthday, Silver Wolverine, whenever it is.
Whenever it is, that's right. Slurp to your choke. Now she really is sounding like Alan Gold. Good grief, Terry. Maybe it is Alan Gold who has.
Yeah.
Maybe he created a fake account with Terry's name.
Maybe it's Mrs. Gold.
Mrs. Gold. Maybe she got married to him. You never can know. You never can know. All right, let's get going here. All right. I voted for Ron Paul in the primaries in 2008, I think it was, or maybe it was 2012. But anyway, the Fed better knock it off. Yeah, Silver Wolverine has definitely been against the Fed doing this for quite a while. He doesn't really feel that they're acting against the interest of the economy, and really, I don't discount that. I think there's a possibility, but I would like to think that Jerome Powell is truly being independent, but I don't know. We'll see. Full Push Metals says we screwed up when we didn't have Ron Paul for president. Keep pushing. Yeah. Phil Puglisi, without Trump, everything will crash except metals. All right. He thinks Trump is keeping everything going, and it would be worse if he wasn't in office, I guess. Let's see here. Heath, hey, Mark B, are you still in here? Yeah, you're there. You want to read Heath's comment?
Yeah. Gold and silver seem to be forming head and shoulder patterns in the daily charts. Tomorrow, 1240 gold, 1450 silver. If these numbers hit the lower numbers next day, the head and shoulders will be legit, and silver and gold lower.
And they did go lower today a little bit. I don't know if it went back down to that level. I think it's 1243, 14. I think silver's a little higher than that, but they did go down. So, but I don't know. It's something seems weird about the way. I think these numbers are really just playing with the concern about trade and the economy and what the next Congress is going to be like. We'll see here. We'll see how it turns out. Gooch Synthrologia. Sal voice wave after Terry comment. Good to see you. Donald New Mexico is here. Is he the only one on mute? Oh man, he's not listening to us. Barbara wants you to take it all off, Southside.
I was purposely ignoring that. So
Hey, look, the news unit is here. Where do you see a head and shoulders pattern on silver? Can you show a chart? Yes. Yeah, I can invite you in to the news unit. He's going to come on. He's going to show us a heads and shoulders unit. So he's going to pull out a bottle of shampoo. We're going to see the bottle of shampoo. Here we go. All right. News unit, here you go. Bring in the shampoo, buddy. There it is.
Show us the head and shoulders. Am I missing out on something?
Yeah, make sure it's anti-dandruff. Head and shoulder shampoo. You've never heard of it?
Yeah, but is this normal? I've never seen this before. He's gonna pull out some shampoo and do what with it?
No, I'm teasing him. Hey,
Oh,
having fun with it. Head and Shoulders is a pattern
oh, look at Stephen Heath's bar.
on the markets. We'll have the news unit show us the Head and Shoulders. I was making a joke about shampoo, but look at Stephen Heath's bar. Sweet, check it out, brother. Nice. That is the bomb diggity.
Bomb diggity.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I need to read the disclaimer. I'll read the disclaimer as soon as the news unit gets in here. We need to read that disclaimer, especially the news unit. Did you get the? Yeah. Oh yeah, I need to read the disclaimer. I'll read the disclaimer as soon as the news unit. Now the news unit's got to pause the play sign. Now before the news unit starts, I've got to read this disclaimer. All right.
I gotta check my audio here, Stan, but I'll be right with you.
Okay. All right. We got the news unit. The one and only the Dave is in here, folks. And in order to progress here, we have to have the disclaimer read so people understand, so I can protect myself legally. You know, we've got to be able to have legal protection here. This is what this is about. All right. So the following is an information bulletin here on the YouTube video network. Remember that the information that is presented.
All right, Billy's here too, so I'm gonna keep Hillbilly.
Okay, now hold on one second. Before Billy or you talk, let me read this disclaimer real quick.
Go ahead.
The following is an information bulletin here on the YouTube video network. Remember, the information that is presented here is necessarily that of myself and anyone else that participates. This is for educational and entertainment purposes partially, and I can confirm, and yes, I can also deny the accuracy of any of this.
Billy's laughing at you already.
Nice. All right, Billy. Yes. Billy, I don't want you to lose my number, by the way.
Try to Salivate Metal.
All right. There's Billy. Billy the Hillbilly.
I want to see this head and shoulders pattern on the silver chart.
Well, you got to pull out a bottle of shampoo for us, Dave.
Let me see here. I gotta get my screen up here. Application.
We're highlighting your screen. We're pausing from a regular comment review to make time for the news unit and Billy.
That's my silver chart. Where did it go? It was here just a moment ago.
From Partyville, Wisconsin. There's a redneck and a hillbilly, and various. Here's the Head and Shoulders charts here.
Where do we see a head and shoulders chart here? I want to see a head and shoulders.
You're a bullshitter.
This is a daily silver, and I don't see a head and shoulders.
You don't see the Head and Shoulders?
Where's the head and shoulders? Let me zoom in here. Is there a head and shoulders somewhere?
You
How far
can
back should I go? Like 6 months, a year?
let's see.
Years? Maybe it's a 20-year chart, huh?
Maybe so. There's a head. I see like a little head there. No, that's not what she said, Southside Stacker.
Shoulders. Let me go back to a daily chart. He said a daily chart, right?
I think that's what he said. Head and Shoulders.
I might see a reverse head and shoulders right here, but not a top down head and shoulders.
Yeah, I see that too. Yeah. Maybe he meant reverse Head and Shoulders.
Did you mean reverse? Maybe that. I see an area of kind of like resistive area, just a bracketed area here, kind of, what do you call it? Kind of a line right here, right? Sort of.
You know what I see in that? I see I see a kitty ear and a tail, a little kitty ear. Do you see the kitty ear right here? Oh, you can't see where my mouse is pointing. Go to the left.
I mean, if it bounces around between 14 and 15.
Fuck you too.
Whatever, but look at the 50-day cross on the 100-day moving average. What does that mean?
That could be an indicator of something.
What does that mean? Does that mean something?
It could.
I mean,
if those lines cross. They've crossed. When did they cross again? Back in where was he? Yeah, back where it really started to drop there.
Yeah, now they're going to cross to the upside. So.
Yeah. So that could be an indicator of something.
Could be going up to $17 or $18 silver, huh?
Never know. I originally predicted close to $20 silver by the end of the year. I was way off.
I'm back.
Stephen Heath is back, Dave. Dave,
Rosie, where's this? Yeah, where's the head and shoulders?
Stephen Heath, do you want to point out the head and shoulders on that chart for him?
I can't see a chart. Not much.
Look on the news unit where it says the news. Click on that.
Oh yeah. Don't ask me to comment on chart because I've got no idea.
Find him the kitty tail.
Where's the head and shoulders?
I just want my coupon for my shampoo.
The head and shoulders there, do you?
Yeah.
My ass.
Up his ass.
I think we need to get Silver Southside Stacker a coupon for Head and Shoulders.
Yeah, that's what I thought we were getting. That's why I stayed so long.
Right. Yankee Stacking is here on the side chat, by the way, because unlike the news unit, I actually pay attention to the ad.
Jerk off and put it on your hair and wash it that way.
What did you say?
Well, why does Southside need Head and Shoulders?
Oh, all right, all right. I'm reporting this video. I'm reporting this video right now for abuse. For abuse.
I don't see a Head and Shoulders. Where's the Head and Shoulders?
I see a Batman ear. I see a Batman ear.
I don't even see it on the 4-hour chart.
Look at the Batman ear to the left.
Where the hell's the Head and Shoulders? Didn't this guy say there was a Head and Shoulders on the silver? I
Definitely said there was going to be some Head and Shoulders coupons here.
Yeah,
Where's the Head and Shoulders? I don't see a Head and Shoulders.
Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo.
I just see sort of a range-bound trading choppy range. That's all.
Yeah, that's what I see. That's what I see. No Head and Shoulders.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, by the way, Dave.
Yeah.
The news unit. I think we have Alan Gold as an imposter in my side chat.
Oh, no doubt.
Disguising as Terry Rabideau. This lady's been typing in all capital letters all day.
Tell him to fuck off.
Yeah.
I thought that was her deal.
That was her. Oh, maybe it is. Has she been later? Has she been? Yeah, I guess she does do that. I guess.
Need a
She learned that from Alan Gold, I think.
need a pistol up her.
Good. That's nice for me to be on somebody else's channel for a change. That feels better. I haven't done this. I don't do this often enough.
Well, but the thing is here, Dave is multi-talented. More than likely, his live stream's still going. He's just not.
No, actually, it's not. It
Really?
terminated stuff. I don't care. I'll make a new one, but you know.
Yeah. Well, we're glad you're here. This is quite an honor to have the news unit here.
Everybody's mad at me lately. They don't even want to talk to me anymore. They want to diagnose me with mental disorders and shut my channel down and tell me not to broadcast anymore.
Well, they're just jealous. They're just jealous because you're on the pulse of all the news.
Back off and put it on your hair.
And I just get Billy over and tell him to fuck off, right, Billy?
Fuck off the road to horse.
Well,
That's
we
right.
try to limit that. You know, kind of the.
I know.
But yeah. It's good. It's all good in the neighborhood. You know, But yeah, sometimes you get people that are like that.
Let's see if we got Alan Gold hiding in the wind here. What's his fake name?
Well, I was kidding. I don't think it's Terry Rabideau. He does have a crush on Terry Rabideau. There's no question. That's the
Look at you. You got 59 people watching. I never get that. What happened?
I think it's just a fluke.
Well, that feels good.
Yeah, it's a fluke. It's usually 80.
No.
That's amazing. I
I swear too much.
You swear too much?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
How'd you get that way?
I don't know.
You don't know. See, he knows he swears too much.
Yeah, well, hey, at least he knows it and making knowledge of it. That's fine. That's cool.
Yeah. Sassy Billy.
Yep.
How's it feel to have Hillbilly on your channel, Salivate?
It's an honor to have Hillbilly here. I'm honored. Yes, indeed.
It's an honor. Tell him Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you, Hillbilly, and Merry Christmas to everybody here. Definitely.
Merry Christmas and Happy Christmas to you, Stephen.
Yeah, Happy Christmas to Stephen. Yes.
Both mean same thing. And a Merry Christmas to all you guys.
So what's up with silver? Everybody wants to know where the price is going. They all try to figure out all these charts. I'm getting tired of these charts, aren't you? I mean, really, how can we figure this out? All right. I was talking to Rosie O'Kelly. I don't know if you heard that today, but we were talking to Rosie, and Rosie thinks that this stuff's going to start going up, gold and silver.
I don't.
You don't think so?
No.
Man, Hillbilly doesn't. Hillbilly knows a little bit about gold and silver, right?
Not too much. I get a feeling.
You got a feeling. See, he gets a feeling. I got a feeling. Yeah.
You know, I think what's going to happen for silver is, even though some people think it's underwater, some people may think that we all live in a silver Wolverine, a silver Wolverine, a silver Wolverine, but we all live. But really, the reality is the silver, I think, will probably make a steady climb up into next year, barring any black swan event or or anything, but I think
I almost got triggered, Sal.
Oh no, yeah, no. I'm sorry, Southside. I didn't mean
barring any blacks,
Yeah,
someone's
no, I
gonna
didn't-
go up.
sorry, yeah.
Well, look at it this way. How much is it now? $14?
Yeah, 14 something. I don't have the charts.
What does it cost if you buy a roll of Eagles now? Like about what?
Silver Wolverines have got his pulse on those good
Probably
deals.
$310 or
Yeah,
something.
310, 315, something like that. Yeah.
You guys got to have their little premium, right?
Yeah.
Well, look, if anybody wants to buy silver, just buy it. Just buy a roll.
Right. Yeah.
And
Exactly.
then wait. And if it goes down to 10, then buy another roll.
Right.
If it
Yep.
goes down to 5, then buy 5 rolls.
Yep.
Yep.
Well, and the thing is, I always tell people, excuse me, to, buy what you can afford, really at any price. You can just buy less when there's more. Let me get a drink of water here.
Well, the problem is more people need to buy it because they don't buy it anymore as much.
I don't.
And
And you know why that is, don't you, Dave?
because they're lazy.
Well, no, it's because, that might be part of it, because it's easier in some ways to buy cryptos, and
Make you lose your ass on it.
everybody's been in the crypto markets.
Well, here's the thing. If everybody bought silver, everybody would benefit. Everybody.
I mean,
Oh yeah, sure, they sure would.
Even if you bought a roll of silver, Billy, we'd benefit from it. What would you do with it?
nothing.
Nothing?
Does Billy have any silver?
Nope. I don't waste my money on that shit.
No, you'd rather go lap dance
Half,
for $20.
half dollar one does. Half dollar one's got an impressive collection of commemorative half
They
dollar.
like them dollars at that strip club, don't they? Billy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hey Sal, you were looking for a random birthday to celebrate. Oaksy just turned 30.
No way, Oaksy!
Yeah.
Congratulations, happy birthday, Oaksy '88, Sweet Home, Pennsylvania. Nice job, my friend.
There's a long punk.
He's a young-
Billy, do you want to sing happy birthday to Oaksy?
No.
So- Can you sing happy birthday? No. Billy doesn't sing, right, Billy?
He doesn't sing. Oh man, crazy. Now we want to know if the news unit's going to have a Christmas Day broadcast.
I don't know yet. I don't know one day from another here lately. Ooh, look out below. We got this bad
Hey.
market condition tonight. What's
Oh,
going
boy.
on now?
Oh,
They're trying-
look at that huge drop there. What's up with that?
I
well,
told you.
yeah, that was the Dow Jones Industrial Averages
Those candlesticks are parking.
off 351 points today. It's
I
such
told
bad
you.
news.
Did anybody
that's-
get that
yeah.
pun? Anybody?
Everything's gonna crash. Billy, do you think shit's gonna hit the fan?
Yep.
And then what?
Everything died.
Everything dies?
If the crap hits the fan, you got to clean it up. It's going to make quite a mess.
Think we'll survive?
I
No.
think we'll survive.
How about you? Will you survive, Hillbilly?
Yeah.
You'll survive. Right? You'll become a werewolf or something. Right? Yeah. Mean.
He growled right on cue.
Yeah.
We got this. This is all pre-recorded,
For those who don't know, Dave of the news unit is the premier collector of papal bullion.
Who's that? Taco?
Really?
No, it's not Taco.
Yeah, where's tacos?
Oh,
Who
my
mints,
fault.
who mints that?
Who mints that? The papal bullion? We'll let Dave tell you about the papal bullion.
That was minted by, what was that minted by? California somewhere. Can't remember the name of the place.
Oh, okay, so it's not from Rome.
No, it's some bullion.
Commemorative bullion things.
Gotcha.
Yeah, with the Pope on it, but he's
Is it
still.
at least commissioned by the church or no?
I don't believe it was. No,
Gotcha.
I don't know who designed it. What's the name of that outfit? Golden State Mint.
Take care.
Oh, yeah, Golden State Man. Okay, cool.
Take care. AU Rebels leaving us. Thank you, my friend, for popping by. We're having a little fun here tonight.
Oh,
He's a
yeah.
rebel.
We could try to call a scammer. What do you think, Dave?
They're just not worth it.
No.
I want to call All in Gold.
Well, do you have his number?
No. Well, he
Well,
needs to get his ass in here front and center.
well,
I
we'd
don't
like
think
to have
it
him
is.
in here, but he's not here.
I don't know where these other guys have been. Nobody's paying attention. You can't get people to communicate with each other anymore much. Have you noticed that?
Yeah, nobody loves me anymore, Dave.
We got to do the one-way broadcasting all the time. I'm getting sick and tired of it, man. I want to, have some forums going, open forum, a little bit of,
Now I know why you're here because
yeah.
I'll interact with you.
Well, yeah. I mean, Hillbilly's here. We're talking, right, Billy?
Yeah.
You like to talk, right, Billy?
A little bit. Not much.
Lake House Beach will like this live stream if you see my impersonation of you. That'd be cool.
What do you do?
Yes, I was in 69.
Tricky guy loves you, Sal.
Where were you?
Hey, I love Tricky Guy. Hey, Tricky Guy. Hey, thank you. And Terry Rapidu loves me. I know she's not Alan Gold now.
Billy's proud of himself. In 1969, where were you, Billy?
The Woodstock.
He went to Woodstock when he was how old?
9 years old.
9
Really?
years.
No way. Wow. That's awesome.
Billy's got a history. He's got a legacy behind him.
Yes, he sure does. Hey, Barbara loves me too. Lake House Beach has done an impression of me. Like to see
Get all the girls here? Is this it? Well, how come I don't get any girls over there?
I don't know. Oh,
I
you
got
got
Rosie.
that one chick that comes in there. What's her
I
name?
got Rosie today.
Mom?
You got the resistance chick.
Ooh, Billy don't like the resistance chicks, do you?
No.
What would you do with them?
Feed them the pigs.
He'd feed them to pigs.
All right, let me see if I can subscribe. Am I subscribed to Lake House Beach? Let me see here.
Feed the pigs. Suey, suey, suey!
That's
All
what
right.
they do.
I wasn't subscribed to you, Lake House Beach. I am now. I'll check it out.
They do when they call the pigs to eat here in Wisconsin. They go, suey, 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 real loud, you know. Billy's proud of that. Then they all come running, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, Southside's got that's a Batman on the Mr. Potato Head. That's pretty
Just go
cool.
Suey, 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 and try it. Maybe they'll listen to him better. Suey, suey, suey.
We want to call them for feeding the pigs too, and
Yeah.
feeding the pigs.
Let's get some hot chicks on here, Sal. Come on.
All right.
Invite them in. Anybody good looking out there?
Barbara Carbone is good looking. We can get her in here. We've got Terry Rabideau's never
On
been.
the microphone. I want to hear some female voices.
Let's see here. Well, if Alan Gold was here, we'd get him in here.
Well, I know, but that's exception rather than the rule, you know.
Let's see here.
Don't you want to talk to some females, Billy? Not necessarily, huh? Sick of them?
I'm sick of them.
No, I'm not sick
I
of
think
them.
they're shy today, Dave.
I want to fuck them.
Ooh, easy now.
Easy now. Easy now.
We know that.
All right, easy now.
Billy's got a one-track mind.
Hey, the Farkas is here. He's hot.
What?
Hillbilly don't pull any punches, do you, Billy?
Fuck you.
See, he just likes to.
Hey, Silver Heist is a good-looking dude. Not that there's anything wrong with that. That's right. Not tonight. Okay, so Barbara Carbone says not tonight, but he's listening to guys tonight. All right, very good.
Are there any hot women in here? Let me look on the thing here.
Why don't you invite some, Dave? We've got, but yeah,
You're at the heart of the woman capital over there. You're outnumbered. How many to one over there in D.C., Northern Virginia, all that?
yeah, I'm outnumbered. I don't know. I don't take a poll
You had the
community here, but I could do it. I could go to the census and find out. They're over in Suitland, Maryland.
Come here, fuck them.
Who do you got in here right now? Let me look at the chat.
We've got Southside Stackers in here, and Stephen Heath is on either side of you here.
Who's the chicks in here? I can't see it that far.
No chicks. The Southside's a cool dude. He's an awesome dude, and so is Stephen Heath.
Barbara's in here. Barbara, you coming in?
Barbara's on the side chat. She's not inside the.
She needs to come in and visit.
Oaksy says list your assets and the women will come running.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, exactly.
Barbara Carbone, let me see your channel. What do you got here? Go to channel.
You know what Dave's assets would be? Southside Stacker, one butt cheek and the other.
Let's check this out. Barbara Carbone.
That's his assets.
Wow, Barbara, do you really look that
man.
good?
Hey, breaking news, guys. The president has just joined us. President Donald
Wow.
Trump is here. Thank you, Mr. President. Yes. Barbara loves you, by the way, Mr. President.
Invite Barbara. Invite Barbara. She says she's hot.
Yeah. You can see her profile picture. She is.
No, I know. We want to talk to her. Is she a silver stacker?
Yeah. She likes silver. Yes, she is.
My channel is awesome or something here. Videos. No recent activity. Oh, yeah.
I guess you going?
Not get me going.
That's probably all in gold.
All in gold. Yeah.
No, do you know Barbara or no? I don't know. I'm just guessing.
She's awesome. She's a great member of the community. She's awesome.
I didn't know.
If you slurp coffee, she might come on here. You got to make a pot of coffee and slurp a lot of it, though.
What's with all the guys? We need some girls.
Well, dude, these are cool. These are cool guys in here, man. We got Stephen Heath. He'll teach you how to speak Yorkshire. Would you like to learn how to speak Yorkshire, Dave?
Not really.
Oh, come on. He'll correct your English.
I got hurt enough.
Oh yeah, he'll definitely annoy the crap out of you if you're into that.
Would you like to have Stephen Heath lecture a hillbilly there in Wisconsin?
Can I put your link out for Barbara? Or you did to me there. Let Barbara come and say.
Barbara's not interested. I already asked her. She loves the voices of the guys. She
Oh, no good. We want to have a little quasi like Howard Stern action.
Well, Dave, now here's how we can do this. This is going to be the exciting part here. Why don't you click on my screen,
Okay.
and then you can read some of these comments for us, okay?
How do I do that here?
Okay, so you click on where it says Salivate Metal, and you see my screen there.
Okay.
All right, so you can read some of these comments, and we'll go through our comment review, and we'll have a little fun. And we're
Is that right now live?
This is live right now. We're live.
I'm watching them too on the YouTube go flying by a million miles.
Yeah, well, you just pay attention to the screen on the inside of the Hangouts here, because that's where the action is. Because there's a delay there, as you know.
Can't stop the money train.
No, we're at Tassie Coins and Bullion.
I love how the old Perth Mint coins have huge denominations.
I don't know where you're at. You're somewhere else.
Wait a minute. I'm looking at your
screen. Check out my screen. See it? Shaky, lakey here.
Yeah, you got all these little.
Just read that.
I was there.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I must be smoking on something. I'm sorry.
I'm replying to your comment, right?
Okay. All right. Now read the next one. Silver bean counter.
That's hard to read. I think it's an interesting time we live in. 22 hours ago. This ain't live. What are you talking about? 22 hours ago.
The comments are live, but I'm responding to them live.
Oh, I see.
See how that works?
Oh, you're catching up on your mail.
Yeah, there you go.
That's what you do during your broadcast. You work on your replies.
I kill 9 birds with 4 stones, Dave.
Dang. Boy, I don't even do any of that.
That's what she said. All right, Jim Farrell. Hillbilly, you read this one.
He can't read, right, Hillbilly? No, he can't. Yeah, right? Okay. Well, I mean, I'm okay with that. I'm not making fun of you for it.
All right, Dave, you can grab this one too. We like hearing your voice. He's got a broadcast voice.
I truly believe the market is going correction. No surprise. Last big crash around 2007. Da-da-da-da-da.
You got to read it.
He says da-da-da-da-da.
Battles went through the rough. Well, this happened again. Maybe, but I put my faith in the middles.
All right.
What does that
mean? I don't know. We'll just, and with these two, he just kind of supports, so we'll go past these. Thank you, Coin Collecting Fun. And here is, we have a viewer from Morocco.
Do people know how to write a sentence anymore or no?
Well, check this one out. This is French from Morocco.
The day is big, my friend. Everyone sent something. I don't know how to say that. 1942, Jeffrey Nickett, good, my friend. Whatever.
No, we've got the last. You know the last couple words there. You can read that.
I can't get it right. I'm just.
In God we trust. Amen.
Yeah.
All right. Very good. See, isn't this fun, Dave?
Oh, it's great.
You love it, don't you? I can hear the excitement in your voice. Even Southside Stacker's convinced of your excitement.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, here's how to read a comment. This is Southside Stacker reading this next one.
Oh, man, you keep giving me the long ones, man.
You got a great voice, man. You got a great
voice. A says, what do you say? I tried to buy a few of those Germania Space Blue silver coins on eBay this evening, and some went for $200 to $250 each.
Wow.
They were early numbers. I was outbid for the number 11. I bid like 211, but someone got it for a few dollars more. I got frustrated after that and bought one for $111 British pounds, random number. I think he was trying to convert it to US dollars in New York.
Yeah.
So who knows how long it's going to be before it gets to me in Texas. These are the end times for low physical metal. Get it while you can.
Well, those are limited to 250 each. Silver Wolverine says, I watched Dave in his live stream vote Republican in the election. Nice.
Oh, yeah, that was a long time ago.
So you actually live streamed you voting?
I did. I walked in. Yeah.
That's cool.
Pretty cool. That's cool.
Nice.
A little bit.
Oxy says those Germanians are ripoffs.
Yeah.
This is just organic sprinkles.
Barbara says, I love to talk.
Oh yeah, Barbara. Yeah. You have a good voice. You keep it going. That's awesome.
I'm gonna go home and roll up some joints and smoke it tonight.
All right.
Knock yourself out
I
with
think
that.
Hillbilly's getting sick of me.
No, he's not. He always makes comments. You know that.
Ron Paul is a little too cookie for Chiefly Chieftain. All right. I wish Barbara Carbon was on this live stream so she could read this comment.
Oh yes. Yes, 100%.
Make America great again. MAGA.
No women in Partyville either right now, are there?
What's that?
We were just talking. There's no women in Partyville either right now.
No.
No women in Partyville.
Sickening.
I need to come up to Partyville to party with you guys.
Oh, it's dead. It's
Who is
just,
that one chick that comes on your live streams, Dave? What's her name?
recently,
Yeah.
Vanessa?
Yeah, that's it. Is she a girlfriend or what?
No, she's from Jacksonville, Florida. And then Ariel K.
Never heard of her.
You didn't hear her? That's Andrea.
No, Andrea. I've heard that name.
Oh,
But
you
I
heard Andrea on here? Okay, yeah, she's from town here.
okay. Cool.
Yeah, and she doesn't like me to call her a girlfriend, though, right, Billy?
Okay.
It's a whore.
Okay, Billy's got another name for her.
Gold finally broke 1250. Hopefully it's 1300 next. Actually, that was from 19 hours ago, but it's down now again since the Fed raised the rates. What do you think, Dave, of the Fed raising the rates? You think they should have, or?
I had Rosie explain it all. You should watch my last video. That's a very good broadcast. Go watch it.
Okay.
Rosie was on it. Rosie knows all about economics more than I'll ever know.
Rosie O'Donnell?
Rosie O'Kelly.
Oh, Rosie O'Kelly. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So Sal, here's another birthday for you. MK's daughter is having a birthday dinner tonight.
No way. All
Yeah.
right. It's a hot minute before my daughter's birthday dinner. Happy birthday to Michael's daughter. Yay. Happy birthday. Dave, do you want to sing happy birthday to Michael Cabrin's daughter?
Sure. Happy birthday to you. Sing it, Billy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Michael's daughter. Happy
Shit your
birthday
pants,
to
dude.
you.
Nice.
And shit your pants. Oh, I'm sorry.
All right. Yeah. Okay. All right.
That was Hillbilly's line, not mine.
Okay. All right. Yeah, happy
What
birthday.
are you putting these words in my mouth for,
I'm
Billy?
good.
Huh?
All right.
Hmm.
Very good. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Great video, South says Redneck Stacker. I think he's posted a video recently and then you check out. Do you remember Big Stack McGee, Dave?
Dun, 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 dun. Hey, everyone, Big Stack McGee here.
Yeah. You want to read his comment?
What did he say? Let's see here. I wish the average person was more informed and more terrified of the continued deficit spending and increased debt of our country.
Yeah.
Does it really matter, Big Stack McGee? Does it really matter? That's my, yeah.
Yeah, they're going to keep spending no matter what, no matter who's in office, it seems like. It's crazy.
Yeah.
I got answers, real good answers too.
Yeah, you do. You always got an answer.
Do you want to, now, Dave, do you want to see how in sync Southside Stacker and I are? Listen to us read this comment.
Okay.
All right. You want to start this one, Southside?
Yeah, I'll go. I
Was
a
Ron,
Paul
RNC,
delegate
for
his
last
2
presidential.
runs.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive, wasn't it?
Were you impressed by that, Billy? Billy wasn't impressed.
All right, here we go. Now we're gonna get now. This is not going to be a complete live stream until we get Mr. Monkey Swag in here. Here we go. Here we go. Hopefully he can come in. He's here, Mr. Monkey Swag. He is a wealth of knowledge about. What's that?
Yeah, past the monkey's ass, right, Billy?
All right, let's see here. SS and Sal Cray Cray. Manny Huney Stacker from Hawaii is here. Hello, Manny Huney. Now, if you guys like poured silver, this guy is the bomb diggity. He knows his stuff. Mahalo.
100%.
He is he can literally make an action figure with moving parts out of silver.
Did you see the collection he made for Seduce? That whole sea life,
yeah,
whatever it was, that was amazing.
that was amazing.
These
Anybody
people,
else
they
come
really.
in, if you want to come in here, Mr. Monkey Swag, there's the link. Mr. Monkey Swag, the link's up there. Terry Rabidou, Barbara Carbone. Anybody wants to come in here?
I ain't go fuck yourself.
That's right.
Yeah, let's keep these sharing to a.
That's just the background effect. Hillbilly's gonna, that.
All right, yeah, we'll keep.
Hillbilly Humper, right?
Yeah. All right, there we go. Gold Maple. I'm not really worried if the stock market falls. I really am not, unless you have heavily invested in the stock market. When you will be worried. I'm also not worried about the price of gold or silver. That's right. Worrying is not going to really do much good. All we can do is just be prepared and hope for the best, and literally mean that, hope for the best, because
you're a channel master. You're actually bringing more views.
well, my views have fallen since you guys showed up. But that's no, I'm kidding. No, I'm teasing. Yeah, I'm honored to have you guys here. Definitely.
Well, Hillbilly, he brings in all the people. They like Hillbilly.
Mr. Monkey Swag, I'm surprised you didn't come in on this live stream here.
Yes.
You got the link up there if you want to come in, Mr. Monkey Swag. We'd love to have you.
Is that like Clyde? Is that like Clyde the orangutan?
Monkey's ass.
Yeah.
Left hook, Clyde. All right, what's this guy saying? Gold
Actually,
app.
Billy has a story about Clyde. Is it your cousin?
Yeah, he's got one of them.
His cousin runs a strip joint down in Kentucky somewhere around Louisville.
Yeah.
And then he's got this orangutan that hangs around in the strip club.
Yeah, they played up the pussy dog.
I guess the orangutan gets a little wild in there,
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting. They don't monkey around, do they, there? Okay.
Mark B says he got booted again.
Oh, did he? Mark B got booted again? I don't know what.
I guess Clyde knocked some guy out one time too. Just doing something.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, they're strong. Orangutans are extremely strong creatures.
Yeah.
They're very strong creatures.
Looks like Kendall Kid bounced.
Kendall Kid bounced. Where did he go?
Not sure. I think everyone said bye to him or something.
Kendall Kid. Yeah, language. Watch the language.
What's going on in D.C. tonight? Is it quiet over there or what?
Well, I mean, there's something about the Congress doing something. I don't know what they're going to try to avoid a government shutdown.
I'm talking about in general in the city. If you look outside, is it pretty quiet? A lot of airplanes, not too much.
There's some flights coming in and out of
Can you see down the river a little bit where you're at, or no?
Not really that close to the Potomac.
Can you see the? You're not too far from the 14th Street Bridge, are you?
Not terribly far from it, but not close enough to actually see the activity there. As of
the airplane's going.
What I could do is I could do like Harry Henderson and just get in my car and just drive around and.
But you can actually see the airplanes going down the river, right, and coming up off there.
Yeah. But I didn't see the crash in '82.
No, of course not.
That plane that crashed into the ice.
Air Florida, yeah, on takeoff from 3-6.
Yep. DC topping indictments and confessions, says Barbara Carbone.
Sounds about right.
Barbara Carbone is salivating at the prospect of Donald Trump going down for all this. What do you think?
Yeah, she definitely is. You can see her wiping the drool off her chin every time there's a new update.
He's not a fan of Trump.
Oh, not at all.
Not at all.
Why don't you guys go get an Armand's Pizza or something down in Old Town Alexandria or something like that? Is that too far to drive?
Yeah, I don't want to go there tonight. That's where I'm afraid if I go there, it'll be like The Walking Dead.
Really?
You know what I mean? Yeah. Tonight, any night. I don't want to spook myself going into Alexandria.
Alexandria? That's 1 hour later there by you.
Yeah.
You ever go down to Duke Street?
It's been a long time. I try not to go too much. And I've been on 9th Street Northwest. That place.
You don't get on the Virginia side too much, huh?
No, not too much. But I mean, in the city, in the Beltway, 9th Street Northwest, it's hopping.
Well, go to that McDonald's across from the White House and see if Trump's in there having a.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, he loves McDonald's.
He probably gets it delivered, right? Carry out.
Yeah, you know what? I think Silver Wolverine brings a good point. I think we should not only make the Mexicans pay for the wall, we should make them build the wall. I think that's actually a good idea.
If you want it done fast, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. There you go.
No unions, no BS.
Right, exactly. There you go. And
send them over here to Brick Tunnel.
Yeah. Hey, now, okay, yeah. Very good idea. Michael's got a good idea. Since Dave's in here and we've got a little time where I can kind of I'm going to do a couple push-ups and I'm going to slurp before I do a set of push-ups. I need to get the blood flowing here.
Why do you like doing fake push-ups so much?
They're real. I've got action proof now.
Yeah.
All right, whatever. I guess we're going to have to play along, Steven.
Donald in New Mexico he's out of here, but yeah, he left. But
should we call the White House? Call the White House.
I tell him to fuck off for me.
Let's see if we can talk to President Trump. Should we call the White House?
He was in here earlier. I don't have the number.
I used to have a number right to the White House. I don't remember it though. I used to remember it. Oh shit, I can remember that.
Barbara
too.
says you make her salivate,
I'll
Sal.
do something.
I make her salivate, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, I can't find my mask.
That's fine. I used to call the White House all the time.
Terry Rapidu says save it, Sal. We all know it's fake.
I know. No matter what, even if I turn the camera on, and she says it's fake. But you know, hey, I'm gonna do it with my Trump mask on too, so that
Imp mask.
Donald's still here, so I guess we'll see your push-ups.
Donald is here. Okay, so we'll have him call fake push-ups. Let me get things in order here. This is exciting times, folks.
Fake push-ups.
We've got Dave the News Unit here. We've got Stephen Heath, Southside Stacker, and we're about to see some fake push-ups. My place is a mess here, but
What should we do tonight, Bill? We got to do something.
I'm going home.
Adrian wants you to know half-fast push-ups don't count, by the way.
I know. I hear you. Let's see here. I got to take my socks off because if I don't, I'll create static electricity, and that wouldn't be good.
Oaksy says, and put some good fake panting on while you're at it.
Oh, yes. Good fake panting for his 30th birthday. That's exactly right. Let's see. All right, you're going to get a crotch shot. I apologize for that in advance.
A crotch shot. It's all about the crotch, Billy.
That's what she said. All right. Let's see here. All right. Okay. It's a little bit blurry. I don't know why that is, but.
Go fuck yourself.
That's right. Everything's about the crotch.
I told you.
Does Hillbilly have Tourette's? I'm wondering.
No, he just tells me everything over and over again.
Here we go. All right. Here's some push-ups for Dave. Gonna do some push-ups for you.
Do it, Mountain.
2, 3,
Fake.
4,
Fake.
5.
Fake.
Yeah, it doesn't even look. You're not even trying to make it look real.
Are you kidding me right now or later?
Fake push-ups and a fake gimp mask.
It looks like you're fucking the floor.
What's that little guy right there? Who's that?
What did you say? I need a manicure. I need a manicure.
Who's that other guy right there? That little guy in the black.
What?
Who's the guy in the black?
Are you triggering me right now?
Yeah, he's triggering you.
Look deep into my eye. There's nothing but blackness. Into my eye.
That's a scary thing, isn't it, Billy?
Oh, man.
That looks like someone looks like an asshole.
Working class says, please stop.
Okay.
They got teeth on
Sorry
them.
about that, Mr. Working Class.
Mark B says your elbows aren't even bending, bro. Like you're not even pulling this off, Sal.
I know. I'm done with him now. I'm finished.
You look like you're fucking the floor.
I want to talk to Barbara Carbone. What she's doing.
No.
Think she's cute?
Oh man.
So it didn't look like I was doing push-ups, Southside?
Nah.
The
Nah.
Dang. Oh, shoot.
You gotta like back all the way up or something, man. They want to see the whole thing.
Oh, right. Well, there's a video of it. There's a video of me doing that with Silver Lesson 13, and he filmed me doing them.
Yeah,
I
that's
want some digital assets.
What's that?
I want to discuss digital assets.
Digital assets. Okay.
Like Bitcoin. You like it? You got any physical Bitcoin?
I don't have any physical Bitcoin, but Silver Diva does.
So,
She's a channel. You should check her channel out.
Oh yeah, that was her latest video, right?
Yeah, it's
That was
awesome.
a really good video.
All right, Michael says,
Billy's
I just should burp up and fart. And by the way, on an unrelated note, Dave, you may want to be here Friday at around 6 p.m. and everybody else should be here too.
Eastern time.
Eastern time, yeah. Something's going to be happening. I'm going to announce it tomorrow.
great. Something's always going to happen.
That's all I'll say about that. Unless until I
Something's
may-
going to happen Friday, Billy.
Fuck you.
Shh, all right, yeah, let's yeah.
I know, Sal. You got to be like cringing every time.
yeah,
That's Billy. That's just,
Billy. Oh man, crazy. All right, let's see. Should we do a
You went to one pond and get some fucking.
let's have.
You should have went to my pond
Yeah,
and get what?
I ain't gonna say it.
You ain't gonna say it. Huh?
It's a fuck movie.
Did Billy shave his beard? By the way, he shaved his beard. He just has a mustache now, right?
No, he's got a beard.
All right, cool. Very good. All right.
I'm gonna paint it all blue,
Yeah.
pink.
All right, this comment says, "Hey, Salivate, you know me from another channel," and he gives this hint, which I have no idea what that means. I am more than a millionaire.
We want to talk to some women, don't we, Hillbilly?
I fucking leave.
You gonna
Uh,
leave? Why?
Yeah.
Why? Mad?
I ain't gonna say it.
Are you pissed?
He said something about these gold reverse proof libertads. That's interesting. They're pretty rare. They are.
Go fuck yourself.
Cybercurrent Twitcher, concerning times ahead, Sal. It's concerning times ahead for sure. That's for sure.
David Argento said that guy said he wants to jump Barbara's
Hillbilly, Hillbilly adds
Who
to the
said that?
ambiance of the broadcast.
Southside, who said that?
David Argento said that guy said he wants to jump Barbara's
Oh,
bones.
oh,
Is he
yeah.
talking about Dave in here?
Yeah. Hillbilly, probably. Yeah, yeah. All right, Mr. Working Class AG. Thanks, my friend. Sorry, I just kind of different kind of evening here, but I appreciate you sticking with us here. We're having a little fun.
Peace, working class.
What's that?
I just said peace, working class. I don't know what Hillbilly's saying. I don't want to know either.
Right. Yeah. I hear you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man, goodness. All right. Let's see. Part-time preppers.
You need to get Alan Gold live in here.
Well, I've tried. You know how many times? Everybody can tell you how many times I've tried to get Alan Gold in here, and he won't do it. He won't come in.
Yeah, he'll come in eventually.
Yeah, I think Oaksy's right. He's got Tourette's.
He ain't got Tourette's. You got Tourette's, Billy?
I'm nuts.
You're nuts.
Hey, everybody on the chat side. This includes everybody here in this chat here, or in the hangout. If you press 1, if you'd rather press 2 on the chat side for Chicken Guy.
Press 1 for what?
Press 1 if you'd rather press 2.
Oh, yeah, 100%. Yeah, I like that.
There you go.
So how does it feel to be like the news unit broadcasting with Hillbilly?
I tell you what, this is exciting. I feel like I am.
Now you know what I got to go through.
I know that's true.
This seems like a whole liability. Exciting is not the word. Liability is.
It's not for the unit, is it?
The news unit doesn't care about liability in his channel.
There's no liability. It's just this is America, right, Billy?
Yep, motherfucker.
This is Hillbilly.
Yeah.
Who cares about liability? Right?
Fuck you.
That's great.
Oh, man.
I'll continue.
Oh man, don't be a Jackson Hole. Part-time preppers, we're all going to be a Jackson Hole.
Hillbilly's here. You almost got 60 people watching now. That's what happens.
Yeah.
You're a magnet for everything, Billy.
Yeah. Oh man, crazy underwater pirate treasure discovery. That's all I'll say for now. Ooh, yeah, there you go, Adrian. That's interesting.
Copper and fucker.
All right, and let's see here. Stephen Pack says most people don't even know about silver coins. Even Hillbilly doesn't even know about silver coins. That's for the Silver Eagle. I find people are just clueless.
You know a little bit about it?
PMs, so it doesn't matter as long as your silver has the weight and purity on it. Buy what you like. Yeah, that's right, Stephen.
Does Hillbilly have a channel?
No.
No.
Right.
Sorry, Steve.
Hillbilly's on the news unit.
Yeah, just subscribe to the news unit. You'll find him there.
Billy's like Raw Dog. He uses another channel to peddle his
Billy's rawer than Raw Dog, I'll tell you that.
He's rawer than Raw Dog. That's right.
I'm down with raw dogging. Is that what we're talking about right now?
Yeah, Raw Dog Latard.
Billy, you really get down in Raw, don't you? Yeah.
Karis Ravenhill, prepare for the worst, hope for the better. Better to be prepared. There you go, Karis. Well said.
See, they love Hillbilly in there already. See?
Yeah.
I told you.
Come over.
Well, we will see. Hope you're having happy holidays. It's 12 days, 22 hours, 43 minutes till the new year. Tucker's counting it down to 2019. Farkas says, salivate for president. I'll vote for you, buddy. What does Hillbilly think about that?
Give me a blowjob.
You're popping those cherries. Hillbilly's popping
Have a
salivate.
good night, MK.
What's that?
MK
All right, man.
left for dinner.
Happy birthday to your daughter. Tell her I said happy birthday, Michael. Happy birthday, and thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. All right.
You getting sassy now on us?
Daily,
You're never sassy, are you, Hillbilly?
a stacking nerd. Adrian says, I think President Trump will be blamed for in the mainstream media for his market downturn. No question, I agree. And even more if we hit a recession. His biggest mistake was publicly taking credit for the booming economy earlier this year. Even if he didn't, he'd still be blamed. They're going to blame him for everything. Now, as it turns from bad to worse, it could be very hard for him to defend his position since he claimed this is the economy he created. I support the president, but this is going to hurt him. Good video for the info. Yeah, I don't think no matter what he does, he's going to get blamed by the economy and by the media. That's what they do. They no matter what.
Just so you know, Hillbilly and I are flipping each other off right now. You can't.
Okay, all right.
I can hear it.
Yeah,
Yeah. You probably can. I don't know.
yeah. Valley Silver Coins and Bullion says the crash won't be as bad as 29. The world economy has grown a lot over the last 90 years. Yeah, that's true. I mean, it's a more robust economy. It's a, I'm hoping it's not as bad as 29. And if you remember in that article, Silver Valley Coins and Bullion, I mentioned in there that Ron Paul says with a 50% correction, the stock market crash of 29 was a 90-point crash.
You got a pussycat.
So it wouldn't have. He's saying that it wouldn't have to fall nearly as much to be comparable. But I don't know what kind of metrics he's talking about there. But anyways, all right. Let's see here.
What else we got going on here, guys? Is there anything really important going on anywhere?
No.
Do you know?
Well, not a whole lot. We're just catching up on some comments here.
I know.
And
Fucking his own self.
See, bring Billy back every week. They
Yeah,
want him.
he's a big hit, Sal. I don't think you're going to be able to control this monster you just created.
yeah, I don't know. You know, here's the thing, Southside. Every time I go on a news unit's live streams, and I'm in here saying, "Hey, let me in to defend my honor against Alan Gold."
Uh-huh.
It's like I can't get anybody's attention.
Fuck off.
Well, you know, it gets rough on the news. Let's just be honest about it, right, Billy?
Yeah,
It's not.
it does get nuts. It does get.
Get crazy.
It can go from professional broadcast, quality broadcast to
It's
just
crazy.
getting crazy. Just a second.
Oh man.
You never know what's going to happen on the news unit.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
I just subscribe to you guys. I'm really a big fan of Billy now. So
There you go.
I'm a big fan of Billy. I just subscribe to you guys.
And Billy, I hope you don't lose my number because we're not going anywhere.
Billy, don't you lose his number?
Yeah, there you go, Dave. You got it. Awesome. Yes, indeed. All right. Somebody got the joke. Good. Oh man, if only Billy could read, we'd have him read this comment without swearing.
Oh, you could read, Billy.
Fuck yeah.
You don't need to read, right?
No.
Who needs to read?
No.
It's a waste of time, isn't it?
I'm not saying about it.
You gonna go outside and cool off?
US
Yep,
money, so I don't see how they can tax it in the first place. If you sell bullion under $10,000, you don't have to report it. I believe that's right. Look at the palladium prices from months ago. The metal took off. It sure did. Yes, indeed. Well, bullion companies are going to be starting charging for taxation early next year. Some people say it's already happening in some states.
It's happening in my state, in New Jersey.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
So if you buy from APMEX, you're going to get charged tax.
Yeah.
Wow.
Welcome to my world.
Yeah. Welcome to the VAT. That's right. Yes.
Yeah, but at least there's value added to the tax, Yeah.
Value. That's right. There's value added to tax. That's right. Exactly. Sober insights as always. Monfrey says Stango. Montferrer. Okay. Thank you. Southside. I'm glad you hear. That's French, right? I was never very good at French.
Don't you lose my number.
That's right. Our country has always been in debt and always will be. Yeah, it seems like that's the case. It's crazy. We're not even making an attempt to pay it down. It's like we can't even pay the interest. We're keep deficit spending. It's nuts.
Is this thing burning? Yeah.
Breaking news, everybody. Tara Rabidou has posted a comment in lowercase numbers.
Wow.
You want to read it for us, Southside Stacker?
She says, "Hey Sal, keep stacking."
Oh, I love it. That was nice. Now, see, Billy, there's the closest thing to a girl you're going to get.
Yeah, that's about it, Billy.
Actually, Hillbilly went outside to cool off a little bit.
he heard your sultry voice there. So he need to cool off. It's too much for him.
Oaksy's bouncing. See you later, Oaksy.
Okay, Oaksy, don't
Happy birthday.
get a trampoline when you're out. All right. Everett White says caution. Yes, indeed. You're about to enter the spin zone. All right.
I'm gonna have to call it a night as well. So it's 1 o'clock in the morning here.
Oh, wow. Yes, it is late there. All right, Stephen Heath. I appreciate you coming by, my friend.
Yeah. I'll see you later, guys.
Take a
See you later,
squeezy.
Steven.
Take a squeezy, and Stephen, don't be sleazy.
I won't be. Well, not just tonight anyway.
All right. See you, man.
See you later, guys. Bye bye.
Later. Boom. He just dropped off. Did you see that? It was real
Oh,
fast.
yeah, that's quick.
That was
Yeah,
quick.
that's fine.
Man. Tell you.
Don't you guys want to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, IOTA, Cardano, Tron, all that stuff? Waves.
Ripple.
Yeah, man.
You might as well
And
be speaking
Dream.
Latin.
Streams of consciousness.
All these different forks and shit and all these different wallets.
May the forks be with you. That's what I always say.
All this precious metal stuff, that's all old antiquated stuff, right?
Well,
Right, if you're gonna buy a roll of Silver Eagles, you get it from SD Bullion. That's where you get it.
yeah.
And
But-
what's their price right now on a roll of Eagles?
I don't know. You have to check it out. Well, but Dave, if you paid attention to my channel, I actually did talk about digital bullion, blockchain backed gold. Just if you go to my videos and type in blockchain and gold, you'll see stuff pop up. And then you can watch the videos and, you know what I mean?
Oh wait, I thought it was SD Bullion. It's quality silver bullion.
Quality silver bullion. That's when it's got the kitty rounds that are sold out that are.
What happened to SD Bullion? I thought there was a.
There's a place called SD Bullion.
Yeah, I thought there was a link on here every once in a while. No, I guess not.
Yeah.
Oh, you do take Bitcoin. 14RZ D6X GGV4RF.
Don't tell anybody, Dave.
Shh.
No, I'm kidding. Yeah, it's there. No one ever sends to me any Satoshis, but that's okay.
You got those addresses memorized?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I can read them anytime you on demand. You tell me what, I'll read it. I don't even have a. You see, I don't even see.
I didn't know you had your own place now, QSB.
Yeah.
You don't have anybody around. You got your own bullion dealer now.
Well, that's where I've got my coins or my rounds sold. Yeah.
Nice. Look at that fancy stuff. So you can actually can you get rolls of Eagles from you?
Oh, no. I don't own the quality silver bullion. That's just where my rounds are being sold from.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Yeah.
But you can actually order stuff.
Eagles from them if you wanted to.
Okay.
I want to try to impress Dave. See if I can memorize my Litecoin address or Ethereum address.
Yeah, you're right.
Can I read it out to you? As you can see, there's a screen, right? So I'm not seeing them. So you tell me which one, and I've got to memorize. I'll read it out to you.
Oh, that's gonna do the Litecoin one. Litecoin,
L, capital L, lowercase f, lowercase g, capital L, 5, uppercase D.
No. You got to do some. You got to put some. You got to put some names to them, like.
Oh, okay.
Lincoln Frank, George Lincoln, 5D, David S, 7W,
Tango, Victor, Tango,
Tom, K, King, and Nori, Adam, G, George, B, Boy, and Nora, 2, W, William, U, Union, C, Charles, X, X-ray.
There you
Something
go.
like that, you know.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, go piss on a fence, Billy says.
Yeah.
He meant electric fence, but that's
Electric fence. Silver kills bacteria.
Don't ever try that,
For
man.
Electrum.
Go
Excellent investment to stack silver. Excellent and fun to flip. I have learned a lot about fiat and precious metals thanks to the community. If you got in early on silver, you'd be ahead 400%. That's right. It's a long game. You got to stick with it. And that's the thing. All this Bitcoin, the cryptosphere, as the news unit calls it. Well, that has kind of come and somewhat gone at this point because people are seeing that it's flattened out. It's gone back down. It had a high of 19,000. Now it's back down to what, 3,000? What is it now, Dave? I don't know.
Let me let you know a little secret. You ready?
Yeah.
The cryptosphere isn't over yet. Yeah.
Well, and I don't think it's over completely. I think it's correcting. It's going to evolve. But the thing is gold and silver.
We're at a party! Keep them
Well-
up! Everybody come on!
Whoa!
Will always be. Will always
Holy
be.
cow, Billy! You're gonna over deviate my microphone doing that.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Ah!
All right, you went outside. What'd you see out there? Did you see a ghost or something, or what? The ghost of Christmas past?
No.
Carl was saying awesome live stream, but I think he was talking about the one from Sunday night. I don't know how many people can say this is an awesome live stream.
How do you like that laugh?
Man,
Oh,
what is
yeah.
going on back there?
Oh, that's
I feel like there's an exorcist
That'll scare you right
situation
out.
over there.
Silver's about to hit $15. I don't know what it is now. We'll go scroll
Is
through
it
these.
going up? Is it moving up?
I don't know. That was from 5 hours ago. That's probably 6 hours ago now. 7.
No, it's
Down,
lower.
down. Where it stops, somebody knows, says Edward.
Comma down, doo down.
FIRST, Tony Green, 113.
Nice. All right, keep going.
Wild Turkey 38 says the Fed needs their butts kicked right off the planet.
Please.
Billy, you gonna have a shot of wild turkey?
Silver Wolverine says, I don't hate often, but when I do, I hate the Federal Reserve.
Right, you got it. You got it.
Moose Wizard says, man.
Oh, yeah.
Levi C says, break it down for us, Sal.
Word.
AU Rebel says, I had it right on your other video. Hee, take care.
Yes, you did. Good.
Silver Wolverine is back. He says, interest rates on money in the bank, LOL.
All right.
Bob Wolf says, after getting out of stocks a long time ago, I sleep better.
That's what she said.
Philip Hinman says, if not the Fed, who? The president? U.S. Treasury?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know who would take over. I don't know.
I think naturally it go to the Treasury. I mean, that's where it should have been anyway.
Right.
All is one now says Ecclesiastes chapter 1, verse 9, nothing new under the sun.
Amen, brother. Let's see. We're gonna probably have some new ones come up. Maybe the news unit has commented on a video. We can read his, but it doesn't look like he has.
I very seldom comment on any videos.
Yeah.
Bob Wolf is back. I have to apologize, Sal. I've had ad blocker set up for every video that I watched. I know to turn it off when surfing gold and video, silver and gold videos. Hope this helps the community a little.
It does, and thank you so much, my friend. That's very nice of you. Appreciate it.
Nixon says, still looking for $99 index, expecting a dollar to fall to 91 at the beginning of 2019.
And that he's been consistent on that. Thank you, Heath.
Tessa Cunningham says, what is the reason for the raise? I keep reading it's to screw Trump's economy. Not sure if it's true or not, but all the world's indeed a stage and we are merely players.
Amen. That's what it boils down to.
Oh, Billy's got an economic update. What is it, Billy? Everything's in a what?
Drop everything down and nothing.
It's going to drop down to nothing, huh?
Okay.
All right. Silver Mana says, more weight.
Then we got
a runaway debt train going downhill, picking up speed as the incline gets steeper and steeper. The bond yield cause is now dead flat across the 1, 2, 3, and 5 year bonds with a slight inversion in there. Stack it deep and tall.
The key, though, is between the 2 and the 10 from what Silver Bean Counters says. But yeah, but thank you, Silver Mana.
Tom Price says, hey, Sal, I think that we had all better prepare or what's coming. Prepare for what?
At least 365 ounces of raw silver.
That's what we need?
Fuck you.
Fuck you too, Billy. 360.
Right.
Listen,
Is there a way to I don't know.
365 ounces of silver. You know why?
Why?
One for each day of the year to survive.
There you go. All right. Break from the herd.
Seriously.
Break from the herd says my company continues to lay off over 1,000 people per year. How does that company still exist? I don't think this economy is very strong.
That's kind of a strange. Yeah. Wow. That's a good question. How does that company exist?
Silver Mana's back. Palladium was $845 on August 15th. I guess that's is that this year or 2015? Wow, some money could have been made there. Wasn't me though.
Right. That's true.
Donald in New Mexico says 18th. Hi Sal. What trade deal has Trump made? Tariffs still get in the way of trade. I hope something goes right for our country soon in regards to trade, but there are definitely no trade deals signed. Some treaties have also been canceled. No new treaties have been signed. Nothing seems to be consummated with Trump's deals. Anyway, I have a 10th ounce of rhodium just in case.
Nice.
Hashtag SOAMG.
You guys think palladium could go to $2,000?
It could. It has before.
Really?
I think so, or close to it. But here's the thing, Donald. The tariffs, they did The USMCA has been signed by all 3 countries. It just has to be codified in Congress. Congress has to bless it.
Huh? Huh?
He's making fun of us.
Okay.
You're making fun of us, Hillbilly.
Yep.
The most hated says Soros will create a recession right before the election.
All right. Yeah, you never know. He's got a lot of money. He can do it.
Nat Cinco says if the government really wanted to help the economy, they would abolish the Federal Reserve and go back to the gold standard.
Yeah.
Max Silver said, thanks again, Sal.
All right. Thank you, Mac.
Food stamp with the new logo says, sup, Mr. SM and everyone.
We've got Silver Bean Counter.
Plauble 28 says, I bought Palladium.
Silver Bean Counter.
Oh, my bad. Silver Bean Counter says, what tore the market was a crappy press conference by Chairman Powell. He said they're planning 2 rate increases next year, but could do more. Wow. Pop that dead bubble.
Yeah, exactly. I talked about that in the video. He mentioned they were going to do 2 instead of the 1, or instead of the 3, which is not that much dovish as they thought. Anyways,
Plauble 28. I bought Palladium and Rhodium near the low. I never could manage to buy my silver at the lows. Buy platinum.
All right, very good.
Hans the Heathen says, as long as it's under $20, I'm buying as much as I can. Still probably wouldn't stop after 20.
Why not?
Yeah.
That's my balls sometimes.
Let's see.
Sorry,
DPP 1235 says silver needs an off-the-charts new use case before it will ever take off in a parabolic way. Clearly, iPhones and computers and battery technology will never use enough silver to drive the prices higher.
All right. Okay, so this one, we're going to try something a little different.
All right, try it.
At the end. All right, so Dave, I want you to read this to Billy and have him read it back to us. All right? So, or have him say it back to us. He can't read. So, do you tell Billy this? Say, we need a gold-backed currency. Let's hear him say that without cuts.
See if you can. Let me see if you can do it. Say we need a gold-backed currency.
Be back or gold racing.
What? Wait, what was that?
See, repeat. 1, 2, 3. Repeat after me. We need a gold-backed currency.
Be back or gold.
Right, try it.
We're not even say the rest of that. All right, now, Dave, see if you can get him to say a multitude of gratitude.
Did you say a multitude of gratitude? No, you can't.
Tell him, say Alan Gold is a dork.
Alan Gold is a dork. He's working on it.
Oh man.
I don't think Skyhound enough things for $50 points a half. You know, it might be $50 might be a union is $100. So I think you're right, Skyhound. I think that is right.
I'm gonna buy a horror for $100.
$100 for a whore?
He said that clearly. He didn't miss any of those words. When it comes to whores and $100, he gets all the words right.
That's for sure.
Yeah, he's got that all figured out, man.
Well, if you're just
I want to park you.
Oh, he knows all them stuff. Yeah, he knows all the
this
innuendos.
live stream, this is an unusual night for the Salivate Metal live stream. You've got the news unit has hijacked the live stream with Billy.
You better fuck yourself.
This is a special guest hillbilly.
Special, and the only thing keeping us sane here is Southside Stacker. He's the only one.
Hillbilly is a legend. He's a Southern Wisconsin legend.
I just figure if one of us speaks while he's speaking, no one will hear it.
That's right, exactly. That's right. Yeah, I appreciate that, Southside. You've been a trooper through this. I tell you. And you guys, yeah, let's see. On the count of one, group whisper, says Tricky Guy.
Tricky Dicky?
Let's see. I want to hear Billy do some ASMR.
You don't like ASMR, do you, Billy? He hates that shit. Billy's kind of he's a tough woodsman guy, you know. I
can imagine. He does look like a woodsman, yeah.
Yeah, aren't you? You're a pretty tough woodsman.
Yeah.
You don't
He's
mess
a
around.
survivalist. He's a survivalist.
You don't mess around.
Let's stick the gun up for pussy and pull the
He's always got some kind of cliche going on here.
Yeah,
you know?
that's exactly.
He should be on the Howard Stern show, I think, someday. Don't you think, Billy?
I think he would be great now. He's like that one guy on the Howard Stern. What is his name that's dead now?
Beetlejuice.
Well, I bet you'd love to be
Beetlejuice,
wouldn't you? I bet he'd have a heyday with you talking a hose on there, huh?
Yeah. Over pitch.
Oh, yeah, I bet. I bet you Howard Stern would love you. An hour at Hillbilly.
Oh man,
You
crazy.
can make that happen when he's. I want to go along too.
Yeah.
Hillbilly unit.
Well, if it gets the gig, we'll send me an invite. We'll live stream it.
Or maybe I should just have Howard Stern on the news and make it easier, and he can
That
take.
would make it easier. That would make it easier. We'll try to see what happens.
Howard, if you're listening to us, come on the news unit sometime.
Yeah.
You think he's listening to Salivate Metal?
I think
100%. We just had the president in here. Come on, man.
yeah, that's right. We just had the president in here. Exactly.
We only got 37 watching.
Yeah, we've gotten now
Come on,
36.
you got to troll him back in,
Baltimore.
huh?
35. Everybody's dropping off. And that means it's probably a hint I probably need to go too. My voice is
God,
doing
Christmas. That's how it is. It's all over the place.
Very
Yeah.
motherfucking
It's
Christmas.
thin volume on the YouTube broadcast.
All right. Well, cool. Well, guys, I think I'm going to call it a night too. We had a fun time though. It was a great
Yeah, handled Hillbilly just fine. I really congratulate you for that. Hillbilly
Okay.
popped his cherry, didn't he, Hillbilly?
yeah. Hey, there you go. He sure did. And Southside, thank you. Thanks to Mark B for being in here earlier. Stephen Heath was in here. Appreciate you guys.
Hey, thanks a lot, Salve. Good to see you. I'm gonna bust out of here too. Hillbilly and I are
Fuck
gonna,
yourself!
we're
All
gonna
right.
go get wild on the news unit now. So
Sounds good. All right. Maybe
guys-
maybe you can get to Billy to not say a single curse word on your live stream. Maybe.
we're just gonna let it rip, man. We're gonna have a rip fest on the news unit.
Very good. And let it all out the Tourette wow.
All right, man. You guys take care. Keep stacking.
All right, we'll
Peace,
see.
man.
Have a
Hey,
good one.
I see you. Hey, Southside.
Yeah.
Maybe I know I've emailed you about this, but we'll try to plan out for a special interview with you
Oh yeah, that'd be dope.
because I
Let's do
think
it.
it'd be fun. We'll definitely do that. But hey, I appreciate you and thanks Southside for putting up with me. Thank you guys
Thanks
too.
for having me.
I appreciate it. We'll have a wonderful evening. Thanks for putting up with all the craziness in here. But hey, you got to have fun once in a while. You gotta go with the flow, right? Mahalos to Menehune Stacker coming to us from Hawaii. Love Menehune Stacker. Barbara Carbone. Thank you guys. Appreciate all you guys. Silver Wolverine. All is one now. Appreciate it. Yeah, Hillbilly. Yeah, sorry you guys for Hillbilly. He's a little rough around the edges, but you know that's crazy. But anyways, appreciate you guys for putting up with me. Have a good night. A multitude of gratitude. And remember, Friday, stay tuned for the announcement tomorrow about what's coming Friday. It's worth checking out. So y'all have a wonderful evening. We'll talk to you soon. Take a squeezy. Remember, keep your feet on the stars and keep reaching for the ground. Take care. Bye-bye.